NAW, let me see. Hi, Foxy Lady. Hi, Whisper to Me. Hi, Nicole. Just Alice, Isabel, Patty and Jack, Newfie, Lori, Flower Girl Phillips, Maui Girl, Nicole Griffiths, Sean, Peace Niddle, Teacup, Paisley Dreams, NAW, Patricia, hello there. My Crazy Life, Karen McCann, Nana Patty, Nanette. An update. Nanette and I, we didn't meet today because we didn't go today. Jimmy rescheduled for next Friday because they didn't have a car ready for us and we would have to wait there, and we're getting moldings put on the van that we have from the dealership that we couldn't wait for them to put on in Chicago, so we brought them back and they still haven't been put on, so that we weren't going to wait there, so they didn't have a rental. And next week, Carol Clark, manager of Three Monsters, moved to, hold on, I missed this. I didn't get it set up. I didn't get the desk set up yet, Patricia. We have the desk up, we have the monitor thing on it, but we have to do the rest. That's probably going to be tomorrow. We have to go and do some stuff, so it's probably going to be Sunday maybe. But if it's hot Sunday, we'll probably be down at the swimming all day. I don't know. I was swimming today. We're going to have he says a heat wave, but then it's cool at night. It's like we're cold. We're sitting on the deck over the lake eating dinner, and we're like freezing. And Ethan's like, I'm so cold. And I'm like, so am I. I'm going take a hot shower. Linda, Danielle, Maggie, Gail B, hello there. Deb on the Move, Jill B, hi Martha, Davita, hello there. Rhonda, wake up. Sean Sneed. Doesn't matter. Looks like my chair is different. Oh, my chair is going to be the same. This is the chair that goes with that. When did I get this chair? Not during the winter. Christmas? After Christmas? Before Christmas? I don't know. Somewhere around there. Wake up, Lori Beth Jane. Tina. All right, so we're going to look at Johnny's day. I did put up 2 updates. We can talk about them in a minute. Just about Letecia and Lori, Vallow, Daybell. If you didn't see them, I did put up 2 short videos just to catch people up with them. Hi, Karen H. Hi, Julie. Carol Boyes. Sharon Martin. Muka. Backdoor. Hello there. Definite. Hello. Tina Gillespie. Hello. Nana Patty, I got you right. Gail B, yes, and Rhonda. Manager of Three Monsters, I think I might have missed you. Sharon has internet tonight. Whisper to me, it's a good thing. Let's see. All right, I'm going to go to the Johnny Depp stuff. Then remind me, I'm going to get a snack. So I took a bunch of vitamins, so if I start getting sick, I'm going to jump up and get something. Okay, let's look. Amber arrived at court. She really went all out on her mask. Oops. I hate that it does that. It drives me insane. Okay. Okay, so Catherine Kendall, an actress and Me Too campaigner, will tell the High Court that she was misquoted in an article in The Sun which referred to Johnny Depp as a wife beater. In court documents from an earlier hearing in the case, Johnny's lawyer said Ms. Kendall will give evidence to explain how annoyed she was that the article was presented as if she was endorsing a comparison between the actor and disgraced film mogul Harvey Weinstein. In a complaint to the newspaper, Ms. Kendall wrote, I never meant to be in an article that called Johnny Depp a wife-beater. I told you that I didn't know that to be true at all. I have heard several times that she was in fact abusive to him. He's never been convicted of being a wife-beater. It seems that this whole article was about defaming him. I said over and over that I didn't know that he had caused her harm. Even a picture only makes it seem so. I'm telling you that you misquoted me and intentionally took things I said out of context in what I now realize was your purpose in defaming Johnny Depp. I told you I have heard Amber Heard hit him, which is why, as you know, I don't condone any violence. You have improperly tried to use the Me Too movement for your purposes by using me in this way. The court is also due to hear evidence from an artist and friend of Johnny, Isaac Baruch, Travis McGivern, member of the actor's security team, and Laura Divinier, I think, former interior designer to Amber. Isaac Baruch, an artist who has been friends with Johnny for nearly 40 years, was the first witness, appearing via video link from the United States. Sasha Wass, representing News Group Newspapers, said to Mr. Baruch that Mr. Depp had been very generous to you and had allowed you to stay in one of his penthouses, rent-free. Mr. Baruch said that was true. Ms. Wass then asked, "And over the years, Mr. Depp has given you money to assist you? I think at one stage you borrowed $100,000? Mr. Baruch replied, "Not at one time, over a period of years from 2013 to 2017. Ms. Wass said Mr. Depp gave Mr. Baruch $20,000 a year, to which Mr. Baruch said sometimes it was $20,000 a year and sometimes it was $25,000 a year. I would ask for the dough when I needed it to cover expenses." The barrister suggested that the money was not a loan. There was no understanding that you had to pay that money back. Mr. Baruch said the patronship from Johnny changed and he arranged to pay it back because I didn't want him to eat all that money. That didn't seem right to me. Ms. Wass asked, "Have you paid any of the money back?" And Mr. Baruch said, "No, not yet." Ms. Wass and Mr. Baruch got to know Johnny Depp's ex-wife, Amber Heard, and her friends who lived in neighboring apartments owned by the actor, including Raquel Rocky Pennington and her then-fiancé, Josh Drew. Mr. Baruch replied, "Yeah, absolutely. I got to know Amber, of course." Ms. Wass said Mr. Baruch also got to know Amber's sister, Whitney Henriquez, and she said, "You got on very well with people I have named." Mr. Baruch said, 100%, adding, "I love them all." Ms. Wass said, "You were aware that the relationship between Mr. Depp and Ms. Heard was a volatile one." Mr. Baruch replied, "I found out later on." Ms. Wass continued, "And you found out from Mr. Depp, did you not? Mr. Depp would give you his side of the story from time to time?" Mr. Baruch said, "Yes." Ms. Wass said, "You never had any first-hand evidence as to what he said about the arguments. You didn't about whether they were true or not. You simply relied on his version." Mr. Baruch replied, "Well, I heard her also when they would argue, when they would split, you know, if there was an argument afterwards, after the fact." Ms. Wass said that after Johnny and Amber split and the actor stopped living in the LA penthouses in the Eastern Columbia building, Mr. Baruch was invited to live at Johnny's Hollywood residence. Mr. Baruch replied, "I lived in a room in one of the houses that he owned on that street." Ms. Wass asked if Mr. Baruch lived there rent-free also, to which he said yes. The barrister asked, "Ms. Heard would never tell you details of the arguments?" Mr. Brooke replied, no, just that she's upset. She's trying to get in touch with John and she can't. Ms. Wass suggested Ms. Heard would be worried about Mr. Depp if he left the apartment after the couple had argued. Mr. Brooke said no, she was worried about herself, not being able to get in touch with him. Ms. Wass asked Mr. Brooke, Miss Heard never said anything nasty about Mr. Depp to you, did she? Mr. Brooke replied, no. Ms. Wass asked about a conversation. You had a text with Whitney Henriquez. This was just after Whitney had left. She stopped living in one of the LA penthouses, and Whitney told you that Johnny and Amber were fighting. The barrister said, Mr. Baruch told Ms. Hernandez, they put Hernandez and Henriquez, Amber Heard's sister, that it was not my business. I don't want to get involved. I hope she understands. Mr. Baruch said, I remember getting a text from Whitney. She texted me to ask if I would call her sister, and she said that she's not psychic, but it was probably going to be about Johnny. I think, if I recall correctly, I texted her back that, listen, I don't think it's my place to call your sister and respect that decision that I'm making. Let's see here. Oh, not that yet. Oh, okay. Johnny was late to the trial. Let's get another picture up there. Because he had a meeting. Hold on a second. Let's change the photo. Oops, come on. Get over there. Because he had a meeting about a future film project at his hotel. Ms. Wass asked Mr. Baruch about part of his witness statement in which he said he had seen Amber on the 22nd of May 2016 and that she had no bruises on her face. He said he was close to her, about 12 inches away, and demonstrated by holding his hand slightly away from his face. Ms. Wass then said, you also said she definitely didn't seem to be wearing any makeup. Mr. Baruch said that is correct. The barrister asked, how certain are you about that? Mr. Baruch replied, 100%. Ms. Wass asked Mr. Baruch, speaking to Amber on the 3rd of June 2016, after Johnny had left the building and not returned, Mr. Baruch said, I remember saying, how you doing? And she says, I'm not doing so hot. I'm not doing so well. Ms. Wass said Ms. Heard invited Mr. Baruch to have dinner with her in the apartment, but that he refused, saying, you felt you and her shouldn't talk anymore because of the publicity surrounding the domestic violence restraining order that had been made by a court against Mr. Depp. Mr. Baruch said, no, that's not what I said. He added, I said to her, listen, Amber, me and you, we are not going to talk anymore because everything I have seen, I'm confused. I'm angry and frustrated at everything I've been seeing. So the best thing for me and you, Amber, is we are not going to talk anymore. Ms. Wass said Mr. Depp offered to let him move into the actor's house in West Hollywood when he tried to sell the apartment in the Eastern Columbia building, which Mr. Baruch said was correct. Ms. Wass read a text from Mr. Depp to Mr. Baruch sent in October 2016, which read, I've got no cake. I should have told my business manager earlier. I can probably get you some dough tonight. Just not very much. Sorry, dude. Ms. Wass said the text continued, but we should talk about moving you out of the building and, for the moment, bring you to Sweetser, Mr. Depp's Hollywood home. Mr. Depp also said, I hate it, but I've got to lose those effing penthouses. That see you next Tuesday ruined such an effing cool life we led for a while. I can't even look at the building anymore. Effed up. I really love that spot. Ms. Wass asked if Mr. Depp was referring to Amber when he said that see you next Tuesday. Mr. Baruch laughed and said yes. I don't know if it's Baruch. Maybe it's Mr. Baruch. Mr. Baruch. What am I saying? I think it's Mr. Baruch. What does it really matter what I mean? She's the first name, huh? Okay, never mind. Miss Wass asked in court if all the people who lived in the apartments next to Mr. Depp and Miss Heard lived like almost family. I'm just going to call him Mr. B because I don't know. Mr. B said that's exactly what it was like. Friends, family, in this amazing top floor of this building, 5 beautiful apartments, and everyone enjoying what Johnny was funding. Ms. Wass said that because of the way you all interacted, it would be apparent if one particular person had a visitor. Mr. B said, oh, yeah. The barrister then asked if he had seen Tesla founder Elon Musk visiting the apartment before the 21st of May, 2016. Mr. B said he had seen Mr. Musk twice around the building, and it was after May 21st. Amber Heard filed for divorce on the 23rd of May. David Sherborne, Johnny Depp's barrister, asked Mr. B if the actor was only generous to him, to which the artist chuckled and said, No, he is an Ubermensch. When Mr. Sherborne asked Mr. B to explain what he meant by that, the artist said, he is a true, honest man. He is the ultimate good guy. He does the right thing. He knows how to do the right thing. He's the kind of guy you want to care about because he does the right thing. Mr. Sherborne reminded Mr. B of Ms. Wass's questions about him living rent-free in one of the suites of the penthouse. Penthouse is owned by Mr. Depp in the Eastern Columbia building in Los Angeles, and the actor confirmed that was part of the patronage arrangement he had with the actor. The barrister said, are you then the only person he allowed to stay rent-free in one of the penthouses? And Mr. B laughed again before answering no. Mr. Sherborne then asked who else was living there rent-free, and Mr. B replied, everybody who stayed there. Rocky, Raquel Pennington, Josh, Drew, Whitney, Amber's sister, the parents. That is all there is. Other people would be visitors. He, Mr. Depp, would have friends that would come and stay in one of the apartments 2 weeks, a week. Everyone who lived there officially, myself, Rocky, Josh, and Whitney, for a period of time, were all living there. And Johnny's funding everything. Johnny's paying for everything. Mr. B confirmed in court that he had seen Amber several times in the days after she alleged she was attacked by Johnny on the 21st of May, 2016, and he added, all of those times I did not see a single bruise or redness, a mark, or the red-tinted cell phone imprint that was advertised in People magazine. Nothing. Not anything. Mr. B told the court about seeing Amber and her friends on Sunday, the 22nd of May, and said, it was Sunday. That was the day I unexpectedly walked in and was in the right place at the wrong time for them because she wasn't wearing a speck of makeup and there was nothing on her face. And she goes to show me and I still didn't see it, and I'm a foot away from her and there is nothing. Mr. Sherborne then referred to the text Johnny sent to Mr. B in which the actor called Ms. Heard a see you next Tuesday and asked, do you know why he was angry with her? And Mr. B replied, because she filed for a fraudulent domestic violence claim to push her hand and extort and blackmail him. The artist then confirmed to Mr. Sherborne that if someone had visited one of the other penthouses late at night, he would not have only seen them, adding, if I'm in my apartment, how am I going to know who is anywhere? Alejandro Romero, who worked as the concierge at Mr. Depp and Ms. Heard's Los Angeles apartment building, is now giving evidence. He was asked about his evidence that tech billionaire Elon Musk visited Amber regularly late at night from March 2015. Mr. Romero said in his witness statement that after Mr. Musk had visited a few times, Amber gave him a remote control for the building's garage and a fob to enter Johnny's penthouse. Sasha Wass said, "What you say about Ms. Heard and Mr. Musk is not disputed, but what I do suggest is that you have got the dates all muddled up." Mr. Romero said he remembered that it was March 2015 because that was when Johnny injured his hand. "That's how I remember exactly the year." Ms. Wast asked if it was in that same month that Mr. Musk started coming to the Eastern Columbia building, and Mr. Romero said, "That's correct." Ms. Wass referred to Mr. Romero. Ms. Wass referred Mr. Romero to his evidence that Amber was not a resident at the Eastern until around March of 2016, asking, "Are you saying that Amber, not being a resident, would invite Mr. Musk to Johnny's flat?" And Mr. Romero said, "I do remember when Johnny injured his hand, and that was the first time I saw Mr. Musk going into the building." Asked by Mr. Depp's barrister, David Shorborn, why he had such a clear memory of the injury to the actor's hand, Mr. Romero said a friend of his was a big fan of Mr. Depp, and he was concerned about him not being able to play the guitar. "That's how I remembered, and then the same day I saw Mr. Musk." Travis McGivern, a member of Johnny Depp's security team, was then called to give evidence about his account of events on March 23, 2015. Travis said he was asked on that day by Johnny to bring nurse Debbie Lloyd to the Eastern Columbia building in Los Angeles. Sasha Wass asked if Travis remembered Johnny being very angry because Amber had accused him of having an affair with someone called Rochelle. Travis said, "I don't remember the specifics of what they were fighting about." Ms. Wass said, "But there was a scuffle at the mezzanine level of the stairs." She asked if there was pushing and pulling and using physical contact with each other. Travis said, "Not with each other, no. That was one-sided." He added, Amber was the only one that was physically aggressive. Ms. Wass said Johnny had some sort of cast on his hand and asked Travis, "You don't remember him hitting Amber with that hand that was wrapped in a cast?" Travis replied, "Absolutely not." Ms. Wass suggested that Travis and Ms. Lloyd had to separate the two of them and asked if he remembered Mr. Depp shove Amber's sister Whitney out of the way as Whitney tried to get between the two of them. Travis said, "No, at no time did Johnny lay a finger on anybody." Ms. Wass asked if Mr. Depp and Miss Heard would have hurt each other had you and Nurse Lloyd not intervened. And Travis responded, "It's hard. You're asking me to speculate on what would have happened." Ms. Wass then read a text from Ms. Lloyd to Mr. Depp's then assistant, Stephen Duders, which read, "Bad night last night. They got into it, and it got violent again. I had to separate them." She asked if that changed Travis's recollection of the incident, but he replied, "Having been there and knowing what happened, I would reiterate that it was one-sided physical aggression." Ms. Wass read out another text from Ms. Lloyd to Mr. Duders, which said, she, Amber, found texts from Rochelle, and all hell broke loose. "They would have hurt each other. We had to physically restrain the both of them." The barrister said both Miss Heard and Mr. Depp had to be restrained, didn't they? Travis said, "No, ma'am. After Amber punched him, I walked him down the stairs to get him out of the situation and to protect him." Ms. Wass said, "You had to pull Johnny off Amber while he was trying to punch her?" Travis replied, "That's an unequivocal no." Mr. Depp's lawyer, David Sherborne, then asked Travis, "If you had seen Mr. Depp be violent towards Amber or punch Amber, would you have simply stood back and let this happen?" Travis replied, "Absolutely not." The court heard that Amanda DeCadenet, a friend of Amber Heard's who was originally intended to be a witness for the defendants, would not be called to give evidence. Mr. Depp's lawyer, David Sherborne, said, "Ms. DeCadenet swore a declaration in the American proceedings saying that she felt she had been misled by Amber in relation to Amber's account of her relationship with Johnny." Mr. Sherborne said Mr. Depp's lawyers included Ms. DeCadenet's declaration in the court bundle, and that the defendants assumed from that we were going to call Ms. DeCadenet. The barrister said Mr. Depp was not relying on Ms. DeCadenet's declaration, but would wish to ask Ms. Heard about it in her cross-examination. Adam Wolanski, QC for NGN, said the defendants may wish to cross-examine Ms. DeCadenet at a later stage depending on what is raised in questions to Amber. Okay. Now we have this morning, as Johnny entered the Royal Courts of Justice, members of the security team had to pull him away as there was a slight commotion when fans moved towards the star and a press photographer was knocked to the ground. Oops. Get over there. The court heard legal argument over images of Amber from May of 2015. Adam Wolanski, QC for NGN, said the images all show injuries to Amber's face on May 21st. He told the court that a dispute had arisen between the parties' legal teams over the photographs because Johnny's lawyers have suggested they might have been manipulated or edited in some way. Mr. Wolanski said NGN would wish to call an expert evidence from an IT specialist who can examine whether the images have been saturated or otherwise photoshopped, if that is to form part of Mr. Depp's case. Mr. Sherborne told the court the actor's lawyers would respond to correspondence on the issue from NGN's lawyer in a bid to resolve it without the need for an expert. Mr. Justice Nicole said he would hear any application for permission to adduce expert evidence at 9:30 a.m. on Monday. Amber's former interior designer, Laura Devenier, is giving evidence via video link from the United States. Wass read out a text that Laura received from Johnny's American lawyer, Adam Waldman, on the 22nd of June, 2019. It read, "I assume you are fearful of something and you needn't be. I want to talk to you specifically because I heard from Johnny and others that you are a nice person, and more importantly, I have you all over the surveillance video immediately after the May 21st faked abuse claims, have witness testimony about you, and possess other written and testimonial evidence of your constant interactions with Amber and acting on her behalf after she claimed to be beaten, but before she filed for domestic violence restraining order and Johnny had already left the country. You were with her immediately prior to and immediately after she created this hoax. You also know she left Johnny for Mr. Elon Musk, and when that first happened, and that Amber destroyed this man's reputation for her own selfish gains." It added, "So the question for you to consider is, do you want to speak with me off the record? And we can consider it if and how to use any eyewitness account you provide regarding which I would be very respectful of your wishes and sensitivities, or do you want to remain on the side of the hoax and indirectly facilitate her suppression of the truth that continues to create catastrophic damage to Johnny Depp? If it's the latter, we will send you a subpoena to compel your appearance in a sworn deposition. Please call me if it's the former. Adam. A recording of the conversation between her and Amber was played. Devenir said she was asked about James Franco and Elon Musk and whether she knew flowers sent to Amber at the LA penthouse were from Mr. Musk. Amber can be heard to say what this is. It's actually manipulating and coercing people through threats. Devenir responds, they're completely manipulating it. She later says, I'm telling you now because I need you to know that I need your attorneys to then go ahead and get me to do a declaration to and question me so then I can say something in your favor. Devenir also describes her declaration as the most vanilla thing imaginable and that she was literally forced into signing. Was said to Ms. Devenir, you felt pressured by Adam Waldman to say the things that were unfavorable about Amber. Is that how you felt when you interacted with Adam Waldman? And she replied, yes. Was asked if she felt pressured by Adam Waldman to suggest that Amber had been involved romantically with both James Franco and Elon Musk. Did you feel under pressure to say something about that? Devenir replied, I felt pressured with most of the questions, so yes. Catherine Kendall, an actress and Me Too advocate, was then called to give evidence. Ms. Wass said that in her witness statement, you described yourself in your witness statement as an actress, a survivor of abuse, and a public advocate for the Me Too movement. The barrister said the Me Too movement was generated after allegations of a very serious nature were made against Harvey Weinstein in October of 2017. And Harvey Weinstein was an immensely powerful man in Hollywood and indeed in America, and he had an army of people acting on his behalf to maintain his denials of wrongdoings when he was accused. And Ms. Kendall said that's correct. And Ms. Wass asked Ms. Kendall to explain from your own experience how difficult it was for a person to call out the misconduct of a powerful, influential figure in Hollywood. And Ms. Kendall said it took 20 years to finally have the courage to call him out publicly. She added that it was one of the scariest, most difficult things she has ever done. Ms. Wass said Ms. Kendall and others were subjected to personal attacks and were being accused of being fanaticists, gold diggers, and people with their own agenda. She asked, and that's your experience of standing up to a powerful man in Hollywood? And Ms. Kendall said it was. Johnny's lawyer, David Shorborn, then asked, what happened to Mr. Weinstein as a result of the accusations that were made against him? And Ms. Kendall replied, he was convicted and he's in prison. Mr. Shorborn asked if Mr. Weinstein was convicted after a court case or in the media. Ms. Kendall said he was convicted after a court hearing, to which Mr. Shorborn asked, so the court heard the allegations and determined he was guilty. Mr. Shorborn began to ask, do you think this is the appropriate or inappropriate way? And Mr. Justice Nicole intervened and said, I'm not sure that this is going to assist me one way or the other in deciding this case. Mr. Shorborn said he had no further questions of Ms. Kendall, but added Ms. Kendall was required to be here to give evidence, and she was not cross-examined on a single part of her witness statement, and I will have something to say about that. And that was that. So key points of the day were Johnny Depp's security guard alleges he saw Amber spit at the actor during a 2015 fight. Elon Musk visited regularly and saw Amber at night at Johnny's flat during marriage. And a Depp superfan turned up at the High Court dressed as Edward Scissorhands, and that's true, and he really got all decked out here. Kind of crazy. He must have been putting that together for some time, or maybe it was his big chance. Maybe he normally dressed up like that. Okay. Okay, so that's it for him. Hold on, let me get back. Oh, my chat is going to be way behind, so I'm going to go to this chat. Hello, Delphine, True Scooter, Mandy Hall, Patch, hi. Liza, Dawn Marie, Julie Johnson, Ivy Lynn. Who else got here? You don't know what's going on? We've been doing it every night. Okay. Just go back. We did it every night. He's having a libel case because there was an article in the Sun and Amber was involved in that, and it made him out to be a wife beater. And it's damaged his reputation and his career, so he's suing for libel. Hi, Alicia Nelson. Okay, so the other, hi, Tammy. The other thing, hi, Poetry Pebbles. Hi, Leisha. The other thing is that Lori Vallow had the pretrial hearing. She went there. The judge did reduce the bond, but it's not the bond for the big charges. It's for 3 misdemeanors, and it was those misdemeanors before they were charged for the stuff that happened on Chad's property. Okay, so Town of Fremont, those charges are still standing, and the $1 million bail is still standing in Fremont. You don't come on YouTube much? Oh, sorry, Alicia. But so the judge did take those misdemeanors, 3 of them, down to $50,000 bond each for $150,000. But she still needs to make her bond of not only $150,000, she needs to make the other $1 million before she can get out of jail. She's not going to get out of jail, and they know that. So that's why I think why she took it down. And then they asked for a change of venue, but that wasn't addressed. They did come across a trial date, and they said for January 25th through the 29th. But that's probably never going to even occur because that's on those misdemeanor charges. So got that. And oh, thanks, Dawn. Then you have Letecia, who's waiting to be transferred to the mental hospital in Pueblo, and that'll be in the early part of next week. She's going to have the mental competency to stand trial evaluation, and then the judge is going to check back on August 7th to make sure that she had, that she's at the hospital, because they don't really know why she wasn't transferred to the hospital since the last time that they said this can take place. And the prosecution asked for a bunch of medical records and stuff, but then the judge said, I don't know, I need you to cite cases in which they needed that before a competency exam, so they didn't get that yet. And that's what's happening there. Carla M. Hi, Carla M. Hi, Mary. Hi, Fam Damily. Hi, Sam. What's the matter, Carla? Why is Carla saying help? What do you need, Carla? Hi, Lori Beth. What's up, Diane? Tony Monty. What book were you reading? Were you reading that downloaded book, Tammy? Did you read the downloaded book? What was that? What are you talking about, Ivy? What book is she reading? The Chris Watts one? High Nocturnal Dread. What's the matter with Carla? Ivy Lynn, it was worth reading for free. Oh, which one? You could, what's his name? Was it Gambler? No, it was Lurker. Lurker said the other one is also available for free, which My Daddy is a Hero. But you know what? That My Daddy is a Hero? I took a look at that. That's completely, and it says in there, this is completely taken from the discovery of the case. Or the majority of it is taken from the discovery of and interviews in the case. Juan Martinez, he got disbarred. We talked about that earlier, right? Because of the stuff with the Jodi Arias. Did something new happen again in that? We talked about that before. Poor Juan. Yeah, he got disbarred. After a 30-year career as a prosecutor, Juan Martinez is disbarred. The disbarment comes 2 days after a November trial had been scheduled involving a State Bar of Arizona complaint against Martinez. Juan Martinez has agreed to be disbarred. The complaint involved allegations that Martinez sexually harassed women he worked with at the Maricopa County Attorney's Office. The State Bar, which investigates lawyers, also accused Martinez of leaking information to a blogger during the Jodi Arias murder trial and lying to investigators about having a sexual relationship with her. And lying to investigators about having a sexual relationship with her. With the blogger or Arias? That's not written too well. The State Bar of Arizona said in its statement Friday, this is a just outcome. The former Maricopa County Deputy Attorney became a national household name during the Arias murder trial. However, he was dismissed from the county attorney's office in February following several years of sexual harassment allegations. The office alleged that he had a pattern of unprofessional conduct. He called the office's actions a vendetta and was appealing the firing. By agreeing to be disbarred, court rules state that Martinez is not admitting to any misconduct, but is only confirming that he no longer wants to defend against the charges. Don Wilson, Martinez's lawyer, told the Arizona Republic that his client will not be commenting on his decision, but I would be remiss if I did not point out on his behalf that this does not represent an admission of misconduct on his part, nor can it be interpreted as an adverse judicial finding as to any of the allegations, Wilson said. In 2019, the State Bar filed a formal complaint against Martinez alleging misconduct. It accused him of sexually harassing coworkers and a Maricopa County Superior Court employee, communicating with a juror, and having a relationship with a blogger while trying to get her to leak information. Several coworkers made the sexual harassment allegations against Martinez, and the county's attorney's office conducted an internal investigation in 2018. The office interviewed 30 people. The allegations included making inappropriate comments primarily to law clerks which were of a sexual nature, engaging in unwanted touching, and making persistent, unwelcome invitations to go to lunch or on a date, the complaint stated. A woman claimed Martinez told her that he wanted to climb her like a statue, or words to that effect, according to the complaint. The woman said Martinez invited her to Las Vegas and said he could guess the color of her underwear. According to the complaint, another woman hid in the bathroom to avoid Martinez because he would look at her like he was taking all her clothes off with his eyes. She claimed Martinez told her he wanted to put a hit out on her boyfriend, to have her all to himself. Presiding disciplinary judge William J. O'Neill had dismissed the charge against Martinez concerning the inappropriate communication with the juror and the allegations by coworkers of sexual harassment. The State Bar disagreed with O'Neill in his decision to omit the coworkers and asked the Arizona Supreme Court to step in. In the age of Me Too, sexual harassment in the workplace is no longer accepted, the State Bar said in its petition. Absent this court's declaration that sexual harassment in the workplace by lawyers is unethical and unprofessional, neither lawyers nor the public can have any confidence that the practice of law will be free from such abhorrent behavior. In a response to the Arizona Supreme Court, Martinez's lawyer said O'Neill properly relied on rules concerning unprofessional conduct in the practice of law when making his decision. The State Bar admits there is no specific rule regulating the interactions between an attorney and law clerks or prohibiting sexual harassment, Wilson stated. However, this week the Arizona Supreme Court reversed O'Neill's decision and ruled that the allegations concerning Martinez's co-workers can be heard during the discipline hearing. O'Neill accepted Martinez's consent and issued an order disbarring him. The judgment cancels an upcoming disciplinary hearing that had been scheduled for November and ends all proceedings related to the State Bar's formal complaint. There are other matters against Martinez that are pending. Phoenix ethics attorney Karen Clark filed several bar charges against Martinez over the years concerning his client Jodi Arias. The State Bar has taken appropriate action to strip Martinez of his license to practice law, Clark said. This was the right result and long overdue. Prosecutors are held to the highest ethical standards, and for far too long Martinez abused his position of trust and also abused women along the way. Separately, Martinez was reprimanded in April for ethical misconduct in 3 capital murder cases. According to the Arizona Supreme Court, it was Martinez's first disciplinary sanction as a member of the bar. According to the court, Martinez violated the rule that prohibits lawyers from engaging in conduct that is prejudicial to the administration of justice. Specifically, the court said Martinez made inappropriate comments to the juries during those trials. As a prosecutor, Martinez's serial improper appeals to juries to elicit sympathy for victims and fear of defendants, and his failure to comply with a court ruling jeopardized the integrity of the legal system. Justice John R. Lopez IV wrote in the opinion that Martinez's negligent conduct did not result in reversal of criminal convictions, does not absolve him of ethical culpability for potential systematic injuries. In March, the Arizona Court of Appeals stated in a ruling that despite Martinez's actions in the Arias trial, Arias would remain in prison for killing her sometime boyfriend, Travis Alexander. The court referred Martinez's behavior to the State Bar. The Court of Appeals cited a pattern of misconduct, saying that Martinez's belligerent conduct began before opening statements. Prosecutorial misconduct undeniably permeated this case, Judge Jennifer Campbell wrote in the ruling. Rather than a few isolated missteps, a pattern of intentional misconduct saturated the trial. The Court of Appeals said it strongly disapproved of Martinez's actions and that an attorney should not escape personal accountability. Judge Kenton D. Jones called Martinez's behavior persistent, pervasive, and inappropriate, as well as unprofessional. He wrote that Martinez's actions were a clear abuse of his ethical duties and said he was left dissatisfied by the serious questions raised by the prosecutor's misconduct, which has previously been raised with the State Bar and remains unanswered. Martinez worked at the Maricopa County Attorney's Office for more than 30 years. He worked under multiple county attorneys, including Rick Romley, Andrew Thomas, and Bill Montgomery. When Governor Doug Ducey appointed Montgomery to be a justice on the Arizona Supreme Court in September, Martinez was transferred to Auto Theft Division out of Capital Litigation Bureau. Chief Deputy Rachel Mitchell stated the move was made to give Martinez more time to focus on his ethics complaints. Given the Arizona bar proceedings involving Mr. Martinez, I felt it was important to assign him a caseload that would be more flexible and allow him to take time, when needed, to focus on resolving these complaints. In February, County Attorney Alistair Adele placed Martinez on administrative leave and then dismissed him. In a notice of his dismissal, the office claimed Martinez retaliated against multiple co-workers who accused him of harassment. Your conduct has created an environment at MCAO that is now impossible to manage effectively, the county attorney's office said in a notice of intent to dismiss. For example, we must work to keep you away from those you victimized. Martinez appealed his dismissal. His lawyer, Thomas Brown, wrote in a letter to the office that his client's career and personal integrity have been perhaps irreparably tarnished by a vendetta against him. So what do you think? Nanette, Carolyn really liked him too, huh? I never thought much of him. I don't know why, Sue Scooter says. I think he did a great job in the Arias trial. I don't know about the other stuff. I thought he did a good job. They're all just, I don't know. So what else is going on? You worked in a hospital for 10 years for the chief of staff. I got so many. Yeah, I know, Tammy, I know. I tell my daughter that all the time because when I hear some things, like my daughter's like, that's not acceptable. I'm like, oh my gosh. She's like, Mom, I'm like, if you only knew, if you only freaking knew. I think it was more the way, it was the culture, it was the way it was. And then I remember like in 2002, 2003, then it started, people started being aware of it. And I remember once I was working in GMC and somebody said, you know, you can't even tell a dirty joke to someone of the opposite sex without being accused of sexual harassment. Mommy, did you hear or see the guy who made the homeless guy backflip? Ooh, no, I did not. That's horrible. Backflip into the water or just do a backflip on the street? And it killed him? What did he do? Break his neck? What was that about? The Nower Mansour. The No Aura Mansour. Thank you for subscribing. Why am I getting text after text on my phone here? No, it's text or they might be emails. Tamara says, hi, Carolyn. I stayed up until 5:30 a.m. and I read the whole book on Reddit. There were so many inaccuracies throughout, and one big one was a confession of 3 murders from day 1. Really? That remained in the book? Yikes. Showed the deaths as August 15th because that's when the medical examiner ruled time of death. It was worth reading, but some inaccurate sentences for sure. Huh. And then you have a son that's having a birthday or something, I see? Oh, your daughter. Your daughter's having a birthday? I have to go on my email to put the picture up. I found a place that will replace my iPhone screen of my other phone while we wait, and it's in Pennsylvania. And I'm so upset because they didn't tell us this before, and now they're giving me a hard time and saying that all this stuff is, I've got to wait for this thing. We have an appointment with them tomorrow, and we're waiting and waiting and waiting for the claim to be approved, and boy, they're going to hear it if it's not. Oh, she's very beautiful. Beautiful girl. Open a new window. Now, this is your daughter that's a teacher, right? She's a teacher? Is that correct? In the chat here. He broke his neck. Ugh. Oh, that's horrible. The arrest of that New York City tech guy. Well, you don't mean the tech, you mean the guy that killed the tech guy, right? Is that what you're talking about? Carolyn, there's a Tractor Supply. Jimmy might like that. Yeah. Jimmy doesn't like it. You know what? I opened the, where did I put them? I saw these at the remember I told you I bought those Family Feud cards and I wasn't sure? Well, I got those. I didn't even open those. But then I saw there were 2 of these. There was a Family Feud, and it was in this box. And then this was the Platinum edition. I'm like, okay, it's at the Dollar Tree. There was the regular one. I figured I'll get the Platinum one. And I opened it when I was looking at it. And so what it is is there cards with the, well, here's the strikes. Strike. Strike. And this is your last strike. And then strike. Strike. Then there's the I guess the question. So like name a phrase that starts with carry the, you know, and I wonder, okay, if these are, usually they're triples, right? And then there's the triples. It doesn't say, it just says, I don't know how we could play this, because we'd need, if we did a real Family Feud, we would need 5 contestants on 2 different teams. I mean 10, you know, 5 on, and I don't see where the fast money thing is. Where's the fast money one? So I'm not sure how you play this. What is it? What do they have there? What are you looking for? Oh, in your Walmart or your Christmas tree shops, really? Did you look for balls in there, Nanette? Did you notice if there were any balls? Well, there was something I said I have to go out and get. I have to get the slime bowls. I have to write that down. Slime bowls. Hi, Robin's time mark. I have to write down the slime bowls. Slime bowls. I need a paper or something here. Blue West, okay. Pay tips every day. What Blue West? What? I don't get it. No balls in your Walmart. What else do I? It's been rough going out in Florida. Where in Florida? Are you near Moo? Moo's finding. Oh no, I think she's ordering them. I didn't get any balls. I didn't go out today, Nana Patty. I went swimming today. Jimmy changed our plans because they didn't have our rental ready, so we made it for, but I have to go out tomorrow at some time into Pennsylvania if the insurance thing goes through. Well, I'm gonna have a fit if it doesn't. My hair, I went swimming and I didn't do anything with it, and this is just it from jumping in and stuff. It's crazy. And I have to color it, and I don't do that either. I don't even want to take 20 minutes. It's crazy. I really need to. Tina, are you in here under Tina and the kitty cat name? How are you doing two kitty cat? How are you doing two names? West Palm. Who did you have to talk down? Who did you have to talk down? Oh, for 2 hours? It must have been while we were swimming. Oh, okay, Tina. Why not have teams of 3 and 3? I don't know. Why not? I don't think we're going to be able to play the fast money because I don't see where the fast money is. How come? It says one instruction sheet. Where the freak is the one instruction sheet? I don't see it. I have another deck of cards in the other room. And let me see. Hold on, let me see if the other deck of cards. I have a Wheel of Fortune one too. Know what I'm really losing my mind because I can't even find the whole thing I had of somebody's moving my stuff some places. I found them. Oh, here they are. All right, I found them. Okay. Do. Well, I have Jeopardy too. Oh, I didn't have Family Feud. Family Feud was different, and that was the Platinum Edition. If I knew that, I would have gotten the other one too. I'll have to go back and get it next time. So I don't know. We can play somehow with it. I don't know how they play the freaking Wheel of Fortune here. Does anybody want to play anything? Remind me not to have coffee at your house, Sharon. Hi, Florida Gray Lady. Oh, you can't find the Jeopardy, Ivy Lynn? I think ours always has this stuff. Like, I never even looked at it much. But they had 2 Family Feud boxes, and I kept thinking the other one I had was Family Feud. I don't know why I thought that. I would have gotten the regular one too. All right, we'll play it somehow. I don't know how we'll manage it. We're not going to be able to do fast money or anything. Where's that one? Hey, Mary D. Welcome to becoming a detective rambler. Welcome, welcome. Let me put the alert box on for you. I think it'll do a dance for you in a minute. I'm fairly certain. I'm just going to leave it on big right now, just for a minute while I go put the number. There we go. Sad soul is rust coming through the paint. What? Rust? That doesn't look like rust. Are you sure? What color was the can? Were they completely clean cans, Soul? Sad soul? I don't know. I really don't. What are those things? I don't get what Jenny has those books. What are they? Smile area. Everybody's so crafty. I'm trying to finish my masks. I can't even get them done. What are you talking, Scooter? I'm not trying to look at something you have in here. I don't know what Scooter, you're gonna have to fill me in what the freak you and Mama Ames are talking about here, because I don't even know who you're talking about. It's not about any of you. It's about I don't know, some weird stuff going on. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. No, it's not about, no, it's just, oh, there's Mary D. It's just Scooter's trying to tell me about some show or something, and I have no idea what the heck they're talking about. I don't even know what the people's name, I don't know anything. I was like, oh shoot, I didn't cook my zucchini, and I'm like, maybe I can cook the zucchini. Maybe I can cook the zucchini during the live. Then I'm like, that's not going to work out. But I do want to get something. I was going to do that before. I'll be right back. Hi, Molly Chickadee. The numbers are in Slack, people. The numbers are in Slack. What are you guys doing? You're taking forever. If they don't fix my phone tomorrow, if something goes wrong with this thing, I'm going to just blow a gasket. Who's that? Oh. coming. Hold on. Took forever to get here. Hold on a minute. Alright, I'll let you in and then I'll go back to what I'm doing.
Hi.
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 You beat me.
Me?
Yeah.
Oh. I figured you beat me.
Nope. Let's see, you beat me.
Oh my goodness. I was
I know.
fast on the trigger tonight.
Wonder what
Sheriff?
we're going to play.
I don't know. We need more people.
Sharon said she's going to.
Oh, good.
Davita's coming, isn't she?
Yeah, and Dreaming. Dreaming had to go to the bathroom first.
What about Moo?
Haven't heard from her.
She was here.
I'm going to text her.
She was here earlier.
I thought so. I'll text her real quick.
She's probably hanging up all her pictures. She's probably just all finished putting everything away.
Probably. Yeah, I'll find out. Moo, moo, moo.
Where are you?
She always starts out in here. Doesn't she?
She what?
She always starts out in here.
Oh, yeah.
And then you got to track her
I
down.
know. She's one of those people
Uh-huh.
that like to be, sought after. Okay.
Yeah, I guess. Well, maybe she's got, those guys there now. She did have those people there. Those guys the other day.
Yeah, they might be in quarantine. She might be calling them back.
Yeah.
Hi, Mooka77. She said hi to you too, Scooter.
Hi. I said hi earlier, but hi now.
You only get one high a night, Mooka. That's it. Be grateful for that, Mooka. Be grateful for the one high from Scooter.
Everything I say always comes out wrong.
Hmm.
No, it doesn't.
Oh, Davita's has to work tomorrow. Davita's can't be in this round. Sorry, Davita.
Oh, you having watermelon?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Best get that refrigerator cleaned out.
Yeah. I am.
Did you get
Jeanette.
that from Aldi's again?
Well, we didn't go. We didn't go today.
Well, but is that your same one from before?
Yeah, this is now I'm finished with it, and then I can get it if I go tomorrow. I'm going to Aldi's in Pennsylvania.
Oh, okay.
Hopefully, it'll be as good.
Nanette said I jinxed her for you not coming today.
I know. You cannot see.
And how in the heck did I jinx you guys? I said that you were the one torturing me about it.
Oh. And then Lisa D got all jealous.
Did she?
Mm-hmm. She said, I couldn't even read her text this morning. Let me see. I didn't even answer it. She says, I'm ready when you are to meet up again. And so... Let me see what she said. And it's so funny. Her thing says, maybe Lisa. And it's a new thing that it's, and I go, is this maybe Lisa? I don't like talking to maybe Lisa. I'd like absolutely sure this is Lisa. I don't like that. So then she said, I would love to get together when things get better. Let me know when you think you would be up for it. Which little girl is missing her shoe? See, she didn't listen. The yellow shoe. The hairy cat.
Hi, Lisa H.
Oh, I've got to tell her which one, right? Which side? Do you need to, are they right and left?
Probably.
Yeah, I would think.
Hi, Dreaming.
I got to find her. I put her somewhere over here because I felt bad. She had no shoe and stuff.
Hello, Dreaming.
Hi. I had to run to the ladies' room, you know.
Of course.
If I missed anybody saying hello, I'm sorry.
Oh,
That's
Nanette
just
said
'cause
we
I
could
had
meet
to-
up at her house.
Yep. What?
Nanette said we could meet at her house. My daughter said they canceled Rhinebeck this year.
What is
The Sheep and
that?
Wool Festival we always go to.
Oh, yeah.
And I was going to meet Lisa D there again because she always goes up then. And we
Wow.
finally found the town that it belongs to, and it's really nice. And now they canceled it.
Oh, shoot.
Moo's coming, I think. She answered.
Dreaming of sideways, Linda says. Hi, Linda.
I am?
Yeah.
Davita says if she lived in New York, she'd meet up in a heartbeat.
Well, I
Me
would too.
Ivy Lynn lives in New York, too.
When I get my RV, I'll head your direction.
Mhm.
Oh, no.
In about
I don't put
10 years.
salt on watermelon. No, no, no. I'm not a salt fan at all. In fact, even very
Dave
small
likes
amounts.
salt on
make-
his.
Who does?
Dave.
Really? Ugh, I can't
Yeah.
even imagine
Oh, yeah.
that. I can't imagine what that would taste like.
Oh, yeah. My parents always eat it like that, too.
Really?
My mom did. Oh, yeah.
What do they put on it?
Oh, no. You know I don't.
I said, what do they put on it?
Salt on their watermelon.
Yeah, we do too.
Yeah, Dave likes
I
that.
do too.
Really?
Me too.
What,
Yeah.
you've never heard of that,
That
Carolyn?
must be something like somewhere. I mean, I've heard of it because of the internet, but never. So I don't want anybody to eat it like that.
Yeah. I can do it either way, though.
Oh, Maui chickadee, I will keep wearing them then, since she said these glasses make me look real sophisticated and intelligent. Thanks, Maui.
They sure do.
Yes.
Hi, Carolyn.
I got
I
a
know
beauty
you
shop
are,
appointment
Caitlin.
on Monday. Yay.
It bit the bullet and made one, huh?
Salt on that. Oh, I don't like
I
salt.
found this little. There was a little girl
Hi,
up
Emily.
on our local marketplace, and I called and asked her because I just asked her, didn't call her, text her, could you come to my house? And she said, no, but I don't work on Mondays, so if you want to come on Monday, you would be the only one here. And I said, yeah, I'll do it.
That's good.
Yeah,
What are you going to do on Monday?
get my hair cut and highlighted finally
Oh, wow.
after all
Lucky
these,
you.
like how long, a year?
I hope I can do something with mine tomorrow. This is just from taking a bath and washing it. Got to try to do something.
Oh yeah, you can do something.
Yeah. Make it look a little presentable. It's going to be 110 degrees heat index tomorrow for Jack's
Oh,
open
they're
house.
saying that it's not that hot here, and it's cold at night.
Yeah, you're lucky. It's going to be the hottest day of the year here tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yeah.
Jimmy keeps saying the heat wave is coming, and the heat wave is 3 days, but I'm like, when?
Excuse me.
So hot in Texas?
Yes.
Hi, Lisa H. Jenny D1. Ace B. Who else is coming? Oh, sorry.
Heather's here.
Well, Heather.
We need at least move. We need at least 6 people.
Yeah.
I mean,
Moo,
7.
come on. You're in the chat now. Come on.
I mean, we need at least 7. Moo, come on, get in here. And who else?
Sharon Martin said she
Sharon
was
Martin, where the
coming.
heck is she? Diana, get up on stage here. That's Sharon.
Hi, Heather.
No, girl.
Hey.
Hey.
Hi.
Hi, Heather.
Hi.
Hi, freak angels. How are y'all?
What you been doing? You got a new boyfriend?
No. Sorry. Nothing
Shoot.
that front still. I'm supposed to, I don't know. I'm probably going to cancel. Whatever.
What? Is the same guy?
No, I'm supposed to be going out with this guy, but just for dinner tomorrow night. Just
Yeah.
like
First
wear the
date?
mask.
First date?
Instead of getting, yeah.
You got
But-
a brand new boyfriend.
No. This is not going to be like that. I can assure you. I mean, nice guy. We've been talking for, a minute, but
How
I
long
really
have you
wanna-
been talking?
I really, really want to cancel. A couple weeks now.
Why do you want to cancel?
I'm Luca.
It's just a lot of trouble, for nothing. I mean, it's not. I don't know.
Have you ever met him in person?
I haven't.
Is he an online guy? An online dating site?
No, he's like a friend of our friends that I don't know. Somehow we've been friends on Facebook for a long time. But,
Oh.
Oh, that sounds like Chris Watts.
Ugh.
And I mean, I just hate to be that way. It's not like I'm that picky, but yeah, I am. You know what I mean? And
Mm-hmm.
there's just certain things that in conversation that kind of like, not my time. Hey, everybody. Oh, y'all are so sweet.
You mean there's red flags?
No, but there's a lady that I remember a long time ago. She did an experiment, a social experiment. This is a long time ago. Probably at least 15, 16, 17 years ago it had to be. And
Who
so
did?
some lady,
Oh,
some writer. And she wasn't married, and I think, I don't know, she was in her, probably her 30s or something. And she was talking about online dating and then all the stuff. And she said, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do an experiment. And I'm going to stop being so picky. And I'm going to write a book. And I'm going to give every guy that I can tell is, just not a psycho. It doesn't matter if I think they're my type or not. She was going to stop completely looking at type and just going anybody and then just writing about it. And I wish I could find the name of the book. I'll find it. She ended up, you know what she found out?
What?
That the guy she thought was her type and what she always went for was not it. And when she allowed herself and she thought she was just writing a book, she wasn't even she was single, but she wasn't doing this about for meeting Mr. Right or something. She was doing it as an experiment because she wasn't having luck going with her type. And so she said, I'm just going to date every guy that's not an outright psycho and at least go on one date, and then I'm going to write about it. And I'm not going to say, oh, he's too short, he's too tall, he's too skinny, he's too fat. She's just going to go. And she did this for, I think it was a year. And she ended up meeting her husband, and he was totally not her type. Every box would have, and they were happy like crazy. I have to find the name of the book. Yeah.
I think I told Heather that's the way I was with my husband. And
Me too.
He was not my type at all.
Yeah, Bryson's dad was not right in the whole looking back, at all. I mean, he'd been coming in the salon for 20 years with his parents, but, so I knew him. But, just looking at him and the way he was and everything, you just wouldn't have picture, that would have been the one I picked. But so again, it's not about looks. It's not about all that.
You
It's
read
just,
that book, Crystal? Yeah.
It sounds like a good book.
Yeah.
Anybody else want to come up and play a game?
I'm here.
Okay.
Come on, Moo.
Hi, Sam.
I know
Hi,
you're
Sharon.
here now.
We need at
Who's
least
the
one
He's
more
telephone?
hiding
person.
in the
Where's
corner in the dark.
There's a big telephone
You
on
want
my
to come
screen.
up?
Hmm?
Do y'all see that green telephone?
Mo? Yeah, that's Sharon.
That's me.
Oh, okay, okay.
no, we don't see it. Do you see one?
I see a gray telephone, but
I thought, what in the world?
It's purple. I don't know. What are you saying? Green?
Yeah, green, big old green.
Sorry. Hey, Crystal, is it okay if I tell the Ramblers what you sent me a message about today?
who?
Crystal.
Oh, Crystal.
That's right, Tamara. Eating for lunch. I know.
Somebody wants to play, but they're a newbie. Mary D.
That's okay. You can be a newbie.
Tell
It's
us
just a game.
go ahead and tell. Can she tell us?
We don't know yet. Oh, and
She said yes. Crystal Armstrong.
she said okay?
She said yes.
Okay. Let me go back and make sure I said this right. My name is going back 2 minutes long.
You don't have to be on camera, Mary D. You can just be on the phone.
Just like me.
Okay. I'm asking for her for prayers. She let me know today that her father is dying of liver cancer. They've let him come home to pass away. They have hospice coming out for his care. So it just breaks my heart.
Oh, sorry to hear that, Crystal. Definitely pray
I'm so
for
sorry.
him and your family.
Sending prayers to you for your family, Crystal.
Yes.
What are we going to play, Caroline? Diana wants to know.
Well,
like
we
to
have
know that.
Family Feud, and then there's Wheel of Fortune and Jeopardy, but I think Family Feud is be the easiest thing to play
Okay.
right now.
Nobody
Same
can
set nocturnal.
What'd you say, Sharon?
Oh, I just think nocturnal.
Oh,
He said it was nice to hear me.
Ace B, your question is probably a little bit of comparing, in a way.
I'm just gonna put this.
I'm just not. I'm like,
Move too. Where's she?
a lot of trouble.
We're waiting on her.
Come on,
Okay.
Moo.
I'm gonna write a dating book that just says the effort worth shaving my legs for. You know, kind of
Yeah.
you know. I got 6 feet worth of legs. If I'm gonna shave my legs, it needs to be a decent date. I don't really want a date. I just want someone to go out with and eat dinner, and I'll pay for myself. Like, let's just have a mutual.
Conversation.
You know, I don't want to feel obligated to kiss somebody. I don't want to have to return a phone call. Just want to go out every now and then. I need to just rent a date, rent a park. I don't know. That's why I just stay home. It's just easier.
Why do we see two Scooter's hand?
Oh, I should be down. Oh, it's frozen?
Two Scooter's
Yeah.
hands. It's not frozen for me.
Yeah.
She's the sheriff.
It's frozen.
No.
Oh, there you go.
Moo said
Got
her
you.
mind goes blank.
Mary D is saying
She doesn't
slack.
want to do it.
She doesn't want to do it.
Oh, honey, my
No.
mind's blank too. Don't worry about that.
We won't make fun of her.
Mary D is asking about Slack, question mark. You
Mary
already
D.
answered that. I'm
Well, she's
sorry.
going to get on her Mac,
Oh,
she
my
said.
Well, is she coming?
Mary D, yes. She said let her get on her Mac.
Is she in Slack?
Oh,
she
I
in
like
Slack?
your nails.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Is she in
If
Slack?
you're not in
Scooter.
Slack, Mary D, send me an email.
Thank you, Dreaming. I'll
put
throw a
Carolyn's email up.
tantrum. Moo, I'm going to throw a tantrum if you don't. I'm not going to
Me
be
too.
any good at it either.
Me either. I'm kind of brain dead.
Me too.
Same here.
You know,
Should fit right in.
Yeah.
I'm eating
Uh,
oat.
Oatmeal. Oh, that sounds good.
Well, I wanted to fix some pork chop, and I couldn't decide what was going to have with it, so I decided on scrambled eggs. That's good for me. But then I just didn't want to mess up the kitchen. I just cleaned it, so it's really isn't that good. I'm just trying to make myself eat.
Well, it's good for
Carolyn,
you.
Leah Jane sent you an email.
Okay. Let's see.
Yes, Diana, you can.
Are we
Sure.
going to have a big haul pretty soon? Are you going to show us what you got?
I didn't go out today though.
Oh, that's right. You didn't go today.
No. Not yet. Leah Jane, did you send it to the hold on a minute.
I
Please,
put the email
Leah.
up. I'll do
Oh,
it
I
again.
got it. Okay. Yeah, sure. You want to play Leah Jane? Okay, Leah, you got the number. All right.
Nocturnal Dread. Thanks for the shout out, y'all. I see all of them. Thank you. Is there a way to enlarge your text letters?
What?
Not the words. Like I can do, if you text me something, it makes that part of the print larger.
Oh yeah.
I can't
You
get
mean on your phone?
the text part, like where the letters are, where you type it.
Yeah. My daughter always laughs at how large my texts are. She's like, the people behind you, like 3 people can read it.
Well, I mean, I got the message part. It's real loud and big, but the little word letters at the bottom where I text it, it's not.
Fine now, so I feel better. But maybe that's why I had such a. I don't know.
We're buffering.
Yeah, I see that.
Are you serious?
Here's Moo.
Okay, it's back.
It's
You're
okay
back.
now.
No, we're not.
It's all right. It's all good.
Okay.
Hi, you guys.
Hi.
Hi,
Hi,
Moo.
Moo.
Ice cream.
Hi, Moo. How you?
Okay, how are you?
Sorry,
We
Good.
Lisa.
love you, Moo.
Oh, I have to turn my camera on. That's what the problem is.
Oh, Leah Jane, sorry.
You got
Gosh,
everything. You got
good,
everything put away and everything hung up.
No, I was changing light bulbs.
Jill, you wouldn't believe the area I live in.
You just have a couple of boxes left.
Of light bulbs?
No, of stuff to put away.
Oh my God! If you saw it, you wouldn't believe it. I mean, it was 2 moving vans.
Oh, my goodness.
Like I said, just a couple of boxes of stuff to put away. Because you had 2 days, right?
You should be done by now. We're ready for the tour.
I mean, maybe 3 or 4, but you should be done.
Yeah, I'll walk you through my house.
Yeah, Diana, the number's in Slack, like usual. So come on up. Or down,
It's
whatever.
that kitty. Is that the bitey kitty or the good kitty?
Let me see. Who are you? Oh, it's Mr. Bitey.
Oh, listen, Liz. Hand back.
You gonna bite? Want to bite me?
No. It's good
Oh,
kitty.
Leah Jane, you'll have to start your microphone.
Is that the Mary D?
No, that's Leah Jane.
I don't know if you want to be on camera. You don't have to be, but you need to turn your microphone on.
Mary D, I put
you need
the
to
email up
unmute.
again.
There. Okay.
Hello.
You should be. Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello, girl.
I always get really nervous when I come on.
Oh, don't be nervous.
Me too.
We don't bite. Well, most of us don't.
Now, this is the Leah Jane, the one that burnt the cake the time, right?
Yes,
In
It is.
Australia or New Zealand?
New
Australia?
Zealand.
New Zealand. Okay.
Oh.
What kind of weather are you having there right now?
We're in winter, like in the middle of winter right now, so it's quite cold and it's wet.
Oh,
Oh. Do you
But
have
we
snow?
live in. No, we don't have snow where we are. I'm in the North Island of New Zealand, but they get snow in like the South Island,
mm.
Oh,
not
okay.
where we are. Yeah, but we get snow in the mountains and everything, but just not like snow
Hi,
on the
Molly,
ground.
kitty.
I see.
So we get like, I don't know, we've had a couple of nights that have been 0 degrees, but
Whoa.
we don't get as cold a weather as some other places. Yeah.
Oh, you sent something? Okay, man.
And we're hot. We're real hot.
Yeah, no, cracked up. But we get
Really
real
great.
hot summers too when it's summer. We get like about 30 degrees sometimes. We got up to like 35
Mary D, did
last
you use
summer.
the address that Sharon put up, .org?
I'll put,
Yeah,
it,
she
I'll
got
put it up again. If she needs it.
Oh, I got it.
It's on there.
I got it.
Oh, okay.
She said she put .com instead of .org,
Yeah.
so now it's there.
I got it.
Who else is coming up?
Mary D.
Oh, okay.
Can you hear me, Karen?
Yes.
Oh, good.
Hi,
Hi,
Dan.
Peggy Johnson, if you're watching.
Sorry, Nocturnal, but making spit out my oatmeal. Yeah. I'm funny, all right. Bless it. Funny special.
What time is it there, Heather?
It's 2:00 here in Tennessee.
In the morning? Obviously, yeah, 2 in the morning.
How about you?
And you're having porridge? Sounds good.
Yeah, my oatmeal.
Heather, we're on the same time zone.
It's a single woman's, whatever.
Yes, I was listening to you. I'm single too, and sometimes dating is too much of a hassle, I found.
It really is.
Dating is
Mary D?
too much of a hassle, I found.
Hi.
It really is. Now you have
You can't see me from the neck down.
Hang on, I'm going to come back in again, ladies. 1 second.
Okay.
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 Mary,
Hang on, I'm going to come back in again.
Mary, you got to turn down your YouTube. If you got a YouTube on something, you got to turn it down.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. It gives us a read.
Oh, okay. I have it open. I'll close it.
You don't have to close it. You
No.
can just mute it or
Yeah.
lower the volume.
I've got it on my phone.
Okay, yeah. Just turn it down.
But is the volume down? Okay. Now it's
There,
yeah.
better.
It's okay.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Yeah, we're the Brady Bunch.
Me too.
I'm the bad one.
How did my thing just get? That's really weird.
I just realised I've got my son in the picture.
Yeah.
I remember it's, what is it? Maple and I can't remember what brown sugar.
Oh, maple and brown sugar. Yeah.
It's just basic. Oh, I know I need to eat a meal cut, but I don't. I need to eat a lot better, but I don't.
I'm really worried about Carolyn
Why?
because you don't sleep.
Who's saying that? Mary?
Who's saying that?
Me and Mary.
I sleep.
Every
She
time I
sleeps
get
from
on,
4 a.m. to 4 p.m.
it's late already. And for you, you're
Where
on
are
the
you,
East-
Mary?
in Texas.
Oh, you're in Texas.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
Well, welcome to the club. You won't sleep now either.
Where in Texas are you, Mary?
North Texas, north of Dallas.
Oh,
Oh,
I'm in
I'm
the
sorry.
Panhandle.
Let me apologize in advance.
Why?
We're all good here. I wear a mask. Not
Oh,
right now because I'm at home, but I wear a mask.
Why are you apologizing?
Because we are all we're in the
epidemic,
hot zone.
pandemic.
Well, I wear a mask
Oh.
too.
My husband worked at well, it doesn't matter. But anyway.
Mary D, I'm from Oklahoma.
Oh, you understand me. There you
Yes.
go. She got me.
And I'm from the Panhandle of Texas, and we wear masks.
Woo. My son is there. He's at Texas Tech.
Oh, that's where I came from. It's 2 hours from here.
Beautiful. Actually, it's very nice there.
I'm really tired of hearing this mask thing. It's all over Facebook. People are fighting about it.
It's
There are a lot
ridiculous.
worse things in the world than wearing
Yes.
a
So we have
freaking
a
mask.
motion.
Ridiculous.
Either put it on or get the hell out. That's the way I look at it.
I'm gonna get one of those that
Wear
pulls
your
up like,
mask.
the thing, and they got like the crazy face on it. Like your teeth are hanging all crazy, and I'm gonna get one of those.
Okay, don't scare people, honey. Come on.
I know. I think it'd be great.
Can we get one more? I think we need one more in order to
Yeah,
have
I need
even
it.
teams.
When her
right?
mouth opens, like
Two,
it opens, like her teeth are showing.
8,
It's
9,
so funny.
10.
I think she pushes something. It makes her lips blow up.
We need one more person because I have to be the game show.
Wait, are we
host.
What's
playing
wrong?
Family Feud?
Why are you crying, sweetheart?
I'm Dixie. Pixie. What? No?
Who's crying?
I'm laughing.
Oh,
I'm
good.
laughing, crying.
I
laughing,
thought you were crying. Okay.
So did I.
Well,
I know, Florida.
either one or the other.
I just like the look.
I'm on. We're gonna play Family Feud, right, or something
Yeah,
like that.
Florida Gray Lady. Why don't you come on up here? We need one more person.
I'm a
Yeah, we need you.
what do you need? An even number, Carolyn?
Yeah, if we're gonna have a Family Feud, we should do it with an even number of people, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Hey, you're going to be the
Are you
host,
gonna play,
Carolyn.
Carolyn?
Oh yeah, I'll be
Are
the
we?
host. Yep.
I keep your voice down.
Why can't I be the host?
Because you don't have the cards. You gotta go to get the Dollar Tree and get the cards.
No, I can't put lipstick on. I put lipstick on and
Good
put my
Not
makeup
open at
gosh.
3 a.m. Yeah.
Scooter. It's going to your head. Have you got your badge on?
She's so funny.
Have you got your badge on?
Oh my god.
No,
Oh, well.
I'm not going to
I
wear
thought-
it tonight.
Well, you don't need to.
Oh,
No whistle.
Scooter's like the poo. Take a big.
I'd rather just eat oatmeal and watch y'all play.
No, we have to all play. If we're going to be done, we're going to be done together.
You tell I'm dreaming.
And it might happen.
And it will happen on my side.
You're pretty smart, Dreamy.
Oh, here we go.
Oh,
Oh, there we've got our. Okay, we're all set then. All right, so now I wish I could
Oh,
move
something
people.
else.
Florida.
Yeah, right. So if we have
Florida.
Hello.
So I'm just gonna have
Hi,
to write
Florida.
down
Oh, good.
the teams, so I can
Hi,
remember.
Florida.
So I'm just gonna go
Where is she?
eeny, meeny, miny, mo.
She's here. Hey, Florida.
So we have
Hi.
There you
Dreamy
go.
Hi, Florida.
and then Heather on the other team.
Are you painting,
Scooter.
Florida?
I already painted 2 tonight.
And then we
Oh,
have
my goodness.
Moo.
Can you show
And
us?
we have Nana Patty.
Let me put my
have
bad
Mary.
thing down and I'll show you.
Okay.
And then we have Diana. And then the next one would be Leah. Should be over here. And then the
I'm
next
gonna be
one, wait a
last.
minute,
I'm
would be
always last.
Sharon.
Not sure how much longer my brain is
And the
going.
next one would be Florida Gray Lady.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, here's
Oh, I
the
feel
here's the
Mary,
team
don't
because I
worry.
just went one on one. I just said just did that like how it is. So the two teams are family number 1 is Dreaming, Scooter, Nana Patty, Diana, and Sharon. Family number 2 is
Okay.
Heather, Moo, Mary, Leah, and Florida Gray Lady. Okay.
Number 2.
Okay.
God help me remember that.
Well, I
Sharon.
wrote it down, so I'll
Hi,
tell you.
Diana.
Oh my
Oh,
God.
that's
Family too.
Okay, so
Oh,
I guess for the
we got the dysfunctional family award again.
we'll need Heather and
How do we buzz in?
we'll need.
We're gonna ride the short bus.
Pardon?
Okay, so the
Can't
first
see
one
you.
we're gonna need Heather
Sorry.
and Dreaming up to the fake podium first, right?
All right, let me get my belt.
Oh my gosh, Heather and who?
You.
Oh,
And,
okay, no.
Okay, and then so here's what you're going to do. Instead of ringing the bell, when you have the answer, you got to get your hand up like that really fast. And then Scooter, you watch who's got it up first, okay? You can't watch. You know you can't. I'm joking. You can't. You're on that team. Okay.
Yeah, we need you, Scooter.
I'll watch. Whoever gets their hand up first, and then you've got to get the right answer. If you get the wrong answer, then it gives you the other person. Okay.
I can see them both right now
I
on my
can see them
screen.
too. Can everybody else
What
see
do I
them at
do? I
home?
can't put my hand up.
No, you're not putting your hand up yet. Oh,
It's
what are you
just
gonna do?
Heather and Dreaming
Oh,
right now.
Yeah, we'll worry about you later. We asked 100 married women, name something you've been wishing for years your husband would do. Okay, Dreaming. got it?
Dreaming.
Dreaming.
Wash the dishes.
That's number 2. Housework, chores. Ding, ding, ding. You got the number 2 answer. Okay. Do you want to play or pass with your family?
She's so trusting.
play.
Play. Dreaming.
Oh God.
Yeah, do I still play?
No, do you want your family to play this or pass it to the other team?
Play.
Okay. All right. So next it would be Scooter. Scooter, you're going to have the same question. We asked 100 married women, name something you've been wishing for years your husband would do.
Oh,
Yeah,
wait, somebody else doing it
No,
with
that's
me?
you. No, this is you. You know how the Family Feud works, right?
Okay, okay.
You're just going to go
Take
around.
out the
I
garbage,
normally
take
would.
out the-
I would normally introduce myself to you, kiss you a little bit if I was Richard
Yeah.
Dawson, and then you would give the answer.
Okay.
But we'll skip that.
I don't know. Take out the garbage.
But no.
I don't know.
Okay. Hold on a minute. Excuse me. Hold on. A
No.
minute. Wait. Hold on a minute.
You're cracking up.
Oh,
That's
no.
strike number 1 for Scooter for Dreaming Family. Okay, here we go. Now
Not
this
good.
goes to Nana
Okay,
Patty.
we gotta be thinking of an answer in case we get sent
We
to
asked
us.
100 married women,
I've
name
got one.
something you've been wishing for years your husband would do, Nana Patty.
Cook.
But I think that goes, okay. The answer they got is housework and chores. So that's the answer that your sister Dreaming got. Isn't that funny that Scooter and you ended up in the same team? And that
Yeah.
yeah. So sorry.
What did you say, Nana?
I
She
say
said take out the
cooking.
garbage.
Oh, okay. And it wasn't on there? Oh.
No.
It was already
But
taken. It's already
It's the
taken.
same as
My
Housework
answer
and
covered
chores
all
is
that.
already
Oh,
taken. Okay. Now we've got Diana. Diana,
Yeah.
this comes down to you. You can't get a strike here, or they're going to be able to steal it.
Okay.
We asked 100 married women, name something you've been wishing for years your husband would do.
I got a good one.
All right. Mow the lawn without being asked.
Nope.
No,
So
which one would
that's
that
strike
be?
number 3. Bzzz. Okay. Heather, it's going to go to your family, and we're going to go to Moo for this. Oh, no, you guys get to huddle together, right? And
How
then,
come I didn't get
No,
asked?
How can we huddle?
because your family lost before it was your turn.
Is
have
Sharon
to
on my
tell.
team or on her team?
Thanks a lot, people.
Okay, so you guys can you guys talk to each other right now. You got Heather, Moo, Mary, Leah, and Florida Girl. What is your answer be? Come on, girls, shout something out
Parent
to your
teacher
team leader.
conferences.
Okay, tell us what you think.
Parent teacher conference.
Oh, I was thinking like toilet seat
Oh.
down.
That's a good one.
There
That's
you
a
Oh my
good one.
God, that's
Yeah.
so true. Every morning. Good Lord.
I mean,
Florida-
seriously.
Florida
what else
really
could I
Start
do?
falling into the toilet. Oh my God.
Leah.
You know that they're not going to say sex.
Yeah.
Know, and after that, then I don't know.
I
Then
can't
cooking.
hear Carolyn.
What is it?
Parent-teacher conference.
Diana, what do you think?
Deal with school stuff.
Y'all already said it.
Well,
Diana.
they're allowed to huddle together. They're allowed to.
Oh,
What do you think,
huddling.
Diana?
We're huddling
Yeah.
over Zoom
Okay.
in front of
My
everybody.
husband does all that stuff.
Okay.
Oh, hey, what?
But you got to think.
And
What do you say, Florida Gray Lady? Do you have an idea to throw out to Heather?
No, because my husband does all that stuff.
Well, just typically.
All right, but think about typical, not your husband.
make it up.
Diana, what do you think?
Well, my first husband didn't
Wait,
take
Diana's
a
on
bath.
the other team.
What?
Yeah, your team is Heather, Moo, Mary, Leah, and Florida Gray Lady.
Oh, Moo.
Oh, right. Of course.
I'm sorry. Moo.
Yeah,
What do you think?
I've never played this game. I don't know what the heck is going on.
You just got to think.
Answer the question.
You guys have never played the Family Feud? Okay.
Yes. All you have to do is answer
Not-
the question.
Oh.
Okay,
Moo,
Well,
they-
listen to the question, and everybody else on Heather's team. We asked 100 married women. Name something you've been wishing for years your husband
Deal
would
with
do.
school stuff. Deal with
Put the toilet seat down.
oh, I would say housework.
They already said housework is gone. It's taken.
I
Oh,
think put the toilet seat down is a good one.
I don't think we'll get it though. I really don't.
Parent-teacher
Other than
conference.
that, we make more money or
Deal
feel more
with school
romantic.
stuff.
Okay, team leader, Heather, which one are you going
What
to
do you
pick?
think?
Come on, Heather.
What do you think?
Deal with school stuff.
Huh?
Deal with parent-teacher conferences. Deal with school stuff. Deal with homework. I don't know. Don't listen to me. I'm newbie.
Jordan Moore.
Listen to me.
stop bothering me when I'm trying to sleep.
Moo, moo, moo.
Y'all aren't helping me. Did we just say help with children more?
You could say help with children if you want.
Would that kind of lump it all together, right?
Yeah, but,
Yeah.
That would kind of get discipline. That would get
all the things with children.
Is that your
How
answer?
much time are they getting?
Is that your
I
answer?
don't like put toilet seat down.
Thank God we don't have a timer.
Is
Good
that your
Lord.
answer? Help with the children
okay.
more?
We'll go with children. Yeah,
Okay. Well,
I think
That's going to be number
that's-
one.
That would be.
Come on.
Okay.
No!
I knew it.
So,
Do it.
they have 13 points because the housework question was 13, and you guys have nothing for the first round. I'll tell you what the number one answer: be more romantic.
What?
Oh, yeah, that's right. Yeah.
House,
Instead of horny, just romantic.
housework and chores was number 2 for 13. Said that. Grow up was number 3.
Grow up?
Grow up.
Ooh.
Take them on a
Shouldn't have married
trip.
him.
Take
good
them
one.
on a trip. Number 12. Be less angry. Number not number 12. That was number 5. And lose weight.
So
Oh.
the toilet seat wasn't even in there.
Nope.
Well, that's a good thing.
Nope.
I don't know.
So
When-
we have the Dreaming family has 13, and we have the Heather family has nothing, and we're going to take Scooter and Moo up to the podium now.
All right.
God.
Front and center, Scooter.
Come on, Moo. You got to be quick on it now. Quick.
Scoot, you on Scoot?
If you
On the
know,
buzzer.
you have to
What
hurry up and put your
what am I
hand up.
supposed to do? This?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You just throw your hand up anyway, Moo. Just throw it
Okay.
in
But
there.
what am I raising my hand
Well, I'm
for?
going to give you the question. Calm down.
Okay.
If you know the
First
answer.
one to answer it. First one
You
puts
wanna
their hand up
answer
gets to
Scooter.
answer it.
Scooter and Moo, are you ready?
Yep.
How are you doing, Scooter? You doing good? Scooter's from
Yeah.
Indiana, and Moo is from Florida, but formerly New York. Okay, we're ready, ladies?
Yep.
Okay.
And it's a time thing, Moo, so go
Screaming.
fast.
Okay. Where do you see a lot of people waiting for a ride? Oh, Scooter got it. Yes, Scooter?
Bus stop.
Number one answer.
Woohoo!
Okay.
Way
Number
to go,
one
Scoot.
answer. So, do you want to play? You're going to play or you're going to pass it?
Play.
Okay. So,
Hey,
go
right.
on. Now, this is going to
Hey,
be Sharon's turn because she got left out last time. So, Sharon, where
Come on,
do you
Sharon.
see a lot of people waiting for a ride?
Airport.
Yes, that's the third answer.
That's
Very
good.
Very good, Sharon. Okay, now we're
Way
back
to go, Sharon.
dreaming.
Thank
Where
you.
do you see a lot of people waiting for a ride?
Oh gosh. Kids at the school.
Sorry.
Oh, I couldn't think. I just
Sorry.
couldn't think.
Okay, that's all right. We're back to Scooter.
Ooh.
Where do you
No.
see a lot of people waiting for a ride?
On a
Scooter,
curb,
you did
a corner.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
she goes down the line like that. Where do you say?
I
What'd
thought
you
it
say?
was
Oh, of course, yes.
I said on the curb, the street.
Oh, street corner. You got it.
Good, good,
Okay.
good.
Now we have Nana Patty.
I say the subway.
You got it.
Woohoo!
Okay, so let
Y'all
me
are
see.
good.
There's only one more answer left. One answer left. No, excuse me. Hold on a minute. Two answers left. You got bus stop. You got street corner, train, subway, and
Airport.
Airport. Okay. So you get two answers on the board left. And who's up now? Nana Patty went, right? So it's Diana.
Yes. I'm going to say at the taxi rank, at a cabs, for getting taxis.
Strike number 2. That's okay. Okay, so we're back to Sharon. Okay, you need this or the other team can steal it from you.
Oh,
Where do you see a lot of people waiting for a ride?
I can't give her an answer, can I?
No, you can't. Two answers on the board.
Yeah, I've got another answer too.
Where do I see him waiting for a ride? At the mall.
Bingo.
Woo,
got it.
girl.
So there's one more answer. One more
Way to
answer on
go.
the board.
Well done, Sharon.
Let's
Thank
see.
you.
Dreaming. It's up to you now. Where do you see a lot of people waiting for a ride? If you miss it, they can steal.
At the train station.
She already said that one.
Huh?
That was already an answer.
Oh, I thought plane was. Oh, okay. Let me think. Waiting for a ride. After a concert.
No. Okay, Heather, your team can steal now and win this.
Disneyland.
Who said that?
Who said that?
Me, Leah.
I just can't think about
yeah. Oh,
We don't
I'm
have taxis here, so I
her
don't. I
picture
couldn't get it.
Outside the theater after a show,
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Amusement
New
park.
York City.
Casino.
So you've got amusement park, you've got casino, you've got what did the other one say?
Florida,
Yeah,
what do you
like an
say?
amusement park.
She said
You wait for
amusement
like
park.
heaps
Florida
of
said
rides.
amusement park. What are you going to go with, Heather?
Florida, what do you say?
She said amusement park.
Oh, Mary.
No, nothing.
Oh, come on. Don't put it on me.
It was
walk
neither of
around
those
outside.
that she said. I said outside of a theater show in New York, but I don't know.
No, that's a good answer.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think, Moo?
Oh,
My
I should
mind is
encourage the other team.
But I think Mommy was giving us a clue. So
Mhm.
I'm not.
You've got two people that said amusement park. Yeah, Leah said Disneyland and Florida Gray Lady said amusement park. Then you have outside of a theater, and then Heather, you said a casino.
I don't think casino.
what restaurant? Oh, a ride?
Where do you see a lot of people waiting for a ride?
Amusement park. Yes, because they would be waiting for a ride. It doesn't have to be a cab, right?
No.
It says the
Very
ride.
Says a
good.
ride.
Yes. Very
Okay,
good.
amusement park.
Yay! You got
Hey.
it.
Good. Way to
So-
go.
Wait, why am I congratulating you? You
Might
just
take a little
beat
while,
us.
but we'll get there.
So hold on, that's a big win for them. 71.
Sorry.
Hold on a minute. 71,
Don't be mad at me.
88, 96.
Peter,
So
don't we
That
they
wasn't
have
even on there?
96 now to 13. And we have Nana and Mary at the podium.
Oh God.
What did you say the score is?
In 13 to 96.
96.
Yep, they stole that from you guys.
Wow.
Wow.
Yep.
We're going to have to get you guys.
Yep.
Yeah.
All
Yeah.
right, so
Yeah,
we're
we're
gonna
gonna have to
do
get 'em
another big one
back.
here, and then we're gonna go to the.
Oh, wow.
Pick up my brain.
Okay, Nana, Patty, and Mary, are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, get your
You
hands
can do it,
ready
Mary.
to go up.
You can do it. Raise your hand. Just raise your hand. No matter
Tell
what.
me an occupation you feel is done better when it's done by a woman.
Oh.
I think it was it Mary? I thought, who saw?
I couldn't see both of them.
I think it was, what is
Oh,
it?
it is Mary. I see it on the replay, the delay.
Okay, all right, Mary, what's your answer?
Nurse.
A nurse? Okay, that's the number 2 answer. Nana, Patty, you can try to get the number 1
I know what the
answer.
other one is. Darn it.
Teacher.
She got the number 1 answer.
Yeah.
Way to go.
That's what I used to be. Why didn't I think? I didn't want to say that. Oh my
Okay.
God.
Do you want to play or pass, Nana, Patty?
We're gonna play.
Okay.
Pass. Oh.
Yeah.
All right. So Diana, you're next. Tell me an
Right.
occupation you feel is better when it's done by a woman. You've got teacher and nurse up on the board.
Yes.
Sorry, Heather.
No, girl. Listen, please. Let him.
There's 7 more answers, Diana.
Wow.
Oh.
Daycare.
Boom.
Daycare. She
Good
got
one.
it. She got it. That's one of the answers.
Good.
Okay, so then we have Sharon. Same question. Tell me an occupation you feel is better done when it's done by a woman.
Homemaker.
Housekeeping.
Okay.
We'll take that. Okay.
Good.
All right.
That's
Yeah.
different. That's different.
Well, yeah. Okay. Housekeeping. Okay. We'll put that as
Because
housekeeping.
housekeeper could be like a hotel, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you, Scooter. Thank you.
Let's face it, I was the only one that cleaned this house, so.
We'll accept it on this one. Housekeeping.
Okay.
Okay.
I do
So
so
number she's on your team, Scooter. Don't make trouble.
Yeah.
All right.
Exactly.
I know.
She's
Okay.
on our side.
I know. Okay, dreaming, you're up. What is it?
Now, she just did housekeeping, right?
We've got teacher, nurse, we're taking housekeeping, daycare. We have all those
Cook.
answers are on the board, and there's 1, 2,
Cook.
3, 4 more. What, a cook you said?
Yes.
No.
Oh, really?
Men are the better cooks.
Yeah,
I'm just not doing too good.
Okay, then we have Scooter. It's your turn.
My turn?
Yep.
Except for Vancouver, though.
A secretary?
Yes.
Mhm.
Secretary.
Good.
Yep.
Oh.
Okay, and next up
Who's
we
good?
have
Way to go.
Nana Patty again.
Mm.
I'm gonna throw out doctor.
No.
Okay.
Okay,
And
so we have
that's
two.
messed up.
That's 2 strikes now. So we've got Diana.
Yes.
You've got to answer that question again. Tell me an occupation you feel
Answer
is
it.
better, and I'll tell you what we have already up there: teacher,
Yes.
nurse, housekeeping, secretary, and daycare. But there's 3 other answers.
Exotic dancer.
That's a good one.
Okay.
Wow.
All right.
Well, I don't know about that.
You can
Yeah.
steal. You can steal this, Heather.
Stripper?
Your team can steal this now. Where'd Heather go?
I'm here.
Oh,
Okay.
damn.
Oh, I know what. I know one.
I can't think of anything about that.
Don't say anything because it's not your team now.
Yeah.
No, it's true.
Dreaming.
Don't talk.
Yeah, it's Heather's team. They have to commiserate now.
Okay, I need some answers. Florida.
Just Florida.
Oh, are we on now?
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
yeah.
Beautician, stylist.
Yeah.
Yeah. I was thinking too.
Yeah,
Hairdresser.
hairdresser.
Done by a woman?
Yeah.
Oh, I got one.
Hairdresser?
Yeah, that's what I was
What do you
thinking.
say, Heather?
Lisa H says pole dancer.
Oh my.
You would think.
No, not it. Okay, there's some good male.
What do you say, Heather?
We'll go with hairdresser.
All right, you got it. Okay. Ding, 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 ding. She got it. So you've got, they get 43. You guys get 43 more points now.
Tell me the other girl that's in the.
What,
I
Mary?
can't see the screen.
Okay, now here were the answers. The number 1 answer was teacher. Number 2 was nurse. Number 3 was housekeeping. Number 4 was mother. Number 5 was secretary. 6 was daycare. 7 was hairdresser. And politics was the last answer.
Politics.
Yeah. I don't know that.
I was thinking mom.
I wouldn't even think mom. It's just kind of implied.
Yeah.
I just think that those are kind of outdated because
I don't know. My dad was a better mom than my mom was. So.
Ooh, snap.
Well, nowadays families have 2 male moms, so let's.
Suppose that comes under being a better parent than a dad being a
Mom.
mom.
Did a wet nurse.
All right, we're going to go now with
My husband breastfeeding. No.
ready? Okay, we've got up at the podium now Diana and Leah.
Right.
And Leah, I don't know how we're going to see your hand, so you're going to have to make a sound like
Come on, Leah.
I'll go.
like
What kind of sound? Beep.
like
Yeah.
beep, like that, like something like shocking. Please help watch with the hands and stuff while I read this question. Tell me what you think is the most boring state in America.
Beep.
You, Leah, that I think, right? What is
Yeah,
it, Leah?
beep. Oh God, I don't know. This is like the worst question for me.
That's not fair. Oh my God.
No,
Bad question.
For
I don't
Diane.
know. A state, did you say?
Mm-hmm.
Oh God, I don't know.
She can't.
Florida.
What? No.
No, it's so funny that you guys, Diana and you, both not from the United States, got this.
Yes, I know.
I know.
Florida man?
I'm going to say Texas.
What?
No,
Whoa, hey,
neither.
are
you kidding?
What
Gosh.
do you do
Come
when
on
neither
now.
one of them get the answer? What happens on the Family Feud?
Come on now.
It goes
Then
back.
Then you go to the next one.
I
Yeah,
don't know
the
how
next
to,
person.
what else to choose.
Let's just go to another question.
Come on
Go to
now.
the next person on the
Hold
team.
on.
Come on.
You know what? I was just trying not to embarrass myself by actually trying to remember a state.
you did good. You did okay.
All right.
Did you hear, Carolyn,
What?
the answer? Did you hear your answer? It goes to the person back on Diana's team on
Yeah, good. Somebody
Leah's
else.
team. The
Yeah,
next
Oh,
person
really?
on
Second,
Leah's,
next person.
Oh, okay.
on Leah's
All right.
team
So it
gets
would be
right.
So it's wait a second. But how does that happen though?
If Leah gets it right,
You
Then-
do the second from both teams.
it'd be
so
the same.
whoever-
So we
Put their
take
hand up.
Sharon and Florida Gray Lady.
Oh,
Okay.
I see.
It would be the same as if they were at the podium, but they just
Oh.
say they're in.
Okay, Sharon and Florida Gray Lady. Tell me what you think is the most boring state in America.
Idaho.
There you go. That's what I.
Yeah.
I'd say North Dakota.
No.
Who was first?
Florida.
Florida gray lady.
Okay.
What'd she say?
Idaho.
Idaho.
That's the number 4 answer, and Sharon then gets a chance. You said North Dakota, Sharon. That's the number 1 ansor.
Dang.
Really?
Yeah, so it goes to Sharon. Does your team want to play or pass?
So beautiful.
What do you guys want to do?
I don't
Play
care.
or pass?
I don't care. This is a hard one, so.
You know what? Let's pass and let them do it, and then we can steal it from them like they've been doing.
Yeah,
Okay.
okay.
We haven't stolen. You guys have stolen ours. What are you talking about?
Sounds good.
No, Sharon's on your team, Scooter.
Scooter, she's our playmate.
Oh, never mind.
She keeps going against Sharon. Sharon's on her team. She didn't know that.
Scooter. Hey, my mom always said when you're mean comes to you. It's you're trying to be mean to us. And we're not trying to be
Okay.
mean.
So it would
I
be.
apologize to everyone from Texas. I didn't really mean it was boring. I
Oh,
couldn't
it's
think of
okay.
anyone else.
Okay, so
It is boring.
So
It's the same
Heather,
every day.
The same question to
That's
you.
West.
Tell me what state you think is the most boring in America.
Wait, who are you asking?
Heather.
Ohio.
Heather. What'd you say?
No, it's our team.
No, Heather.
no, it's their
your
team.
team.
I'm sorry.
They passed it. You're going to play.
sorry.
They passed it to you guys.
Ohio.
What did you call it?
Ohio.
What?
Ohio.
Ohio. Okay. I
Going for
couldn't even-
Tennessee accent.
No. Oh, yeah, the accent. Say that again. I've never heard anybody say it like that.
Ohio.
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 I love it.
Ohio.
Did I say it?
Ohio.
Okay, wait a minute.
You said like I do. Ohio.
Ohio. Okay.
There you go,
Never
Heather.
mind. So
You
that,
got it, girl.
But that is
All right.
sorry.
You know when I'm tired, it gets worse.
Strike one. Okay. Strike
I'm not
one.
even
on that.
Hard one.
And it goes to Moo, the most boring state in America.
Nebraska.
Number 2 answer, if you got it. Okay.
Dang it.
Yep.
Two.
Okay, so then we still have 1, 2, 3 answers on the board, and we go to Mary.
Oh God. Utah.
Good answer. Yeah, it's on there. Okay, so we still have
There you go.
My
two more.
next answer, Utah.
2 more, and then it's going to be Leah. Leah. Look at the chat, Leah. They'll give you some ideas.
Indiana.
Yeah, but that's not.
So is it my turn?
Let me look at that. Dang. I didn't think about that.
She's from New Zealand. She needs all the help she can get.
Yeah, I do. Indiana.
Hey.
Okay, so you have 2
Sorry,
strikes.
Scooter.
You guys got 2 strikes, and now it's up to Florida Gray Lady. You've got to save him, Florida Gray Lady.
Come on, Florida.
Michigan.
Good night, Carol.
Oh.
Okay, there. You guys can steal it now. You come on,
can
Dreaming,
steal
Scooter,
it?
Nana, Diana, and Sharon. There's 2
Oklahoma.
answers on the board. 2 answers.
Oh, hey, wait.
Oh, are we going to talk about this?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah.
Oh, we can
South
steal it.
Dakota.
I think New Mexico's pretty boring.
That's true.
True, but I think South Dakota might be worse.
No,
I don't know
I
about
was
the
thinking
difference.
South Dakota, maybe. Yeah.
Pretty area.
Indiana's not one.
I can't believe
No.
it. I like Indiana because I go there all the time.
What about
Nebraska might be boring. It's nothing but corn.
Nebraska was taken.
It was
They've
already
already-
taken.
Yeah.
Only
Did
one
I
I
say
can think
Ohio?
of.
Oh, okay.
We've already
The
said
answers that
Ohio.
have already been picked are North Dakota, Nebraska, and then Utah, right? And
Well,
Utah's pretty.
What about Tennessee?
I know. I was really.
No, not Tennessee. No.
Is there a lot to do
No,
there?
Tennessee's nice.
Yeah,
Tennessee's beautiful.
Memphis, Graceland. I mean, come on.
Who's guessing now?
Can we say Iowa?
you guys, Diana, your team.
Oh,
I think
Yeah, someone said Iowa.
Carolyn. Did anybody say Iowa yet?
Yeah.
Oh, they did?
Which one said Iowa? Somebody.
Oh, I thought
I
someone
was
said
just
Iowa.
saying that. Me. Debbie, Scooter.
I think it would
I
be
was
New
just asking.
Mexico.
Is
Oh,
that-
on your team. Go ahead. No, are you saying was it a picked for an answer? It was not yet.
It was not?
Only thing
That's
only
what
one
I
I
would
can
say.
think of. I don't know that area up in there, but I know New Mexico's not much to do.
But it's pretty there too.
Oh no, it's desolate. One part of it has some trees.
Okay, we need an
But the
answer,
most-
team.
Iowa.
okay.
Is that your answer?
I don't know. It's up to them.
I like
I like
South
your-
Dakota, but Iowa's fine. It's all corn, so.
Whatever you want. We don't care.
Come on, ladies. Dreaming, you have to give the answer. You're the team lead there.
Come on, Dreaming.
Well, what do y'all want to do?
Just go for it. Say whatever.
Pick one, eeny meeny.
Iowa, I guess.
You got it. So let's see.
Oh, good.
All right.
Way to go! Way to go!
North
Wow.
Dakota. So you
I
got
wouldn't have known that.
22.
Carol,
Kansas.
I gotta ask a question.
Yeah, let me just do this math because it's 22. Somebody said did someone say Idaho?
No,
Yeah.
is Is that a boring state too?
Well, that's one of them, but I'm trying to see if someone said
No,
that.
somebody did say it, I think, right?
Yeah.
'Cause I
Not
thought, someone said Idaho.
Okay, so
I don't
North
think
Dakota,
so.
I just have to figure out the score. 22. Kansas was the one you guys didn't get.
Thank
Oh, I was
Kansas?
thinking that too.
I was
I
thinking
said
that too.
Kansas.
Yeah.
I said Kansas.
But we still got it, so it doesn't really
42.
matter.
So that was 42 points for you guys.
Still got it. Yeah,
the score
exactly.
is 55 to
Not believe it's almost 3 in the morning.
141.
What was the number one answer?
North Dakota.
North
Mary, wait till the
Dakota.
sun's coming up and hear the birds a little bit.
Okay. So now one.
Heather, it's getting a.
I know.
Oh.
So,
What?
was there any more states that were listed that we didn't guess? That,
Kansas.
Oh.
Kansas.
Yeah, I said Kansas, but we won anyway, so that's the main thing.
Okay.
Yeah, that's right.
This
I just wondered, like, more boring ones.
This is going to be the last one now for you guys, and then you can win a lot of money because there's only
Somebody
4
said-
answers on the board on this one because it's the triple thing or whatever you call it.
Somebody said Idaho isn't boring anymore thanks to the Daybells.
Who's at the podium?
That's true.
Okay, at the podium, ladies. Sharon. Wait, Sharon, you haven't been to the podium yet, right? Have you?
Yeah, I did. I did North Dakota.
Oh, you did. Okay, so then we're back to Dreaming and Heather.
No, Florida. Have you been on Florida?
No.
Yeah, Florida.
Oh, you know what though?
What?
I bet you
Karen
were at the
can't see
podium.
her.
Exactly. Well,
Oh,
Nana
yeah, see,
Patty
that's why.
hasn't
Yes,
been.
that's why, because you had to go take it because the other ones missed it.
And Nana
Yeah.
Petty didn't go to the podium yet.
No, she
Yeah, I
did.
did.
She
You
did.
did?
Yeah,
Okay.
Diana didn't, I don't think.
yeah, she did. She did with Leah.
Oh.
Just Florida and
All right, so let's yeah. So now we're because of that. So it's
Florida and Mary.
No, they were at the they were at the podium already.
Oh.
So we go back to Dreaming and Heather for
I
this.
can do it
Okay.
again.
okay.
Name a question people ask their dogs.
Are you hungry?
Do you
okay.
love me?
Yes.
You're supposed to raise your
The
hand.
number one answer for Dreaming.
Wait.
Are you hungry?
Yeah.
You're supposed to raise your hand.
Hold on a
Let's
minute. I've
raise
got to
your
get rid of this
Not yet.
stupid thing. That I hate this thing.
I have to message Heather. How the
Huh?
heck do I message Heather?
I'm like, wait a minute.
Okay.
Wait.
Do you want to play or pass? Dreaming.
I feel
Play.
Okay.
referee.
So, Scooter, that goes to you. Name a question people ask their dogs. The number one answer was given. It was want to eat, want to treat.
You wanna go
Oh,
with
good.
that?
Thank God.
What do you mean? I'm confused now.
Okay. The question that you have to answer is name a question people ask their dogs. Dreaming got the number one answer, which was want to eat or want to treat.
But she said it out loud. You're supposed
So
to raise
those are both of them. That's okay.
Heather, you
Gotta go
you're-
potty.
Do you want to go out? Yeah. The number two answer. Okay. So there's
Woohoo!
two more answers on the board, and we've got Nana Patty.
you want to go to bed?
Bzzz, strike one. Okay. And then we've got Diana.
You want to go, Mom? Do you want to go?
Want to go for a walk?
You want to go?
Well, bzzz,
You're my baby.
okay, two. And then we've got Sharon.
Who's a good boy? Who's a good dog?
Well, I don't know. I wonder if we could give this to you. So you're saying like,
Oh,
is there another way to phrase that?
there we go. My baby.
Another way to phrase who's a good
Well,
dog?
there's a kind of a different question. I don't know. I don't know if that's close enough.
Good boy.
So that would be a.
Bzzz,
Good dog.
sorry, Heather says that's.
Okay, I don't
All
know.
right.
Don't
We're
throw up
gonna
in
see
my
can your
bed.
team can steal it.
That's what I always ask
Your
mine.
team can steal it, Heather, and you'll win.
That's not a question. That's a demand.
I know, right?
Mm.
Do not throw up in my bed.
So we're up.
Yeah, you got to steal it.
Okay. Move. Florida. What? Tell me her name again. Leah.
Right.
What's her name?
I was gonna say, are you a
This is
good
Leah.
boy? But that's obviously not it.
I don't know. Mine come when you yell, "Who wants to go for a ride?"
Yeah, that's what I would have said too. What's the girl that's not on the screen? I can't remember. Leah?
Leah.
No.
Yeah.
Okay. Leah, what do you think?
Oh, I don't know.
I think, do you want to go
Hi, Gail.
for a
Will you
ride? Do
move
you want to
too?
go with mommy? Do you want to go out? So, like, go in the car.
Well, wait, no.
Wait, what?
The
Am I
answers,
doing?
the
Sorry.
answers that are there, want to eat, want to treat, want to go out, are already up there.
Oh, okay.
Mm-hmm.
What a bath?
No, what? No. Then they'll run away. Do you love me? Who's the best mommy?
You want to play fetch or ball or?
You want to play? You want to? That's right. That's Heather. That's it. You want to play?
Yeah.
You want to play?
Does that
Yeah,
qualify,
it's a good one.
Carolyn?
Yeah.
That's a good one, Heather. That's
You
it.
can, I mean, yeah, if that's what you want to go with.
What is it already
Well, it
guessed
doesn't
again?
sound.
No.
No, it wasn't guessed. It wasn't guessed already.
Okay. Let's go with fetch a ball, play, whatever you call it.
We win.
You're kidding.
No.
We win.
Well, let's see. We'll see
What
what
the
the
What
score
is
is.
it then?
We'll see what the score is. You guys got that, but that was 37 and 20. Hold on a minute.
We got the ramp.
Answer it. Oh,
That
can you
was
see it?
61 point. Hold on. Let me just do the score
Where's
and
the
then I'll tell you.
ball? What was the answer?
Where's your baby?
And number 3 answer was, no, the third answer was, how are you?
No, good grief.
And the
I'm
4th
gonna ask my
answer
dog,
is,
how are you?
what do you want?
What?
Really?
But
I don't know who.
you guys got it. Hold on a minute. The
Yeah,
other
those
team-
people don't have animals.
Hold on. The other team stole it. They got 61 points, but Heather's team still won because they had 141 to 116.
Is
I'm
Heather
gonna
on my
have a
team?
rematch.
How did we?
My
How could
team.
that happen when we had the 1 and 2 answers?
Dreamy.
Yeah, but
Don't worry. Don't worry. She's taking care of it, Dreamy. Don't worry.
We had the first and second answers.
Don't question. Don't question the boss.
you did. You got it back, but you didn't have enough points to win, though.
We won
Oh man!
we
It's all
won the
good.
round, Dreamy.
Lisa said, "Don't hump that." That would have been a good one. I don't know who they polled on those, but they were smoking crack. 'Cause they-
Exactly. Oh my
No,
God.
these people even have a dog? I mean, come on.
No, they don't even have dogs. Do you
Yeah,
love
those
mommy?
two, those
They
two
wouldn't,
really.
because you go bye-bye and they go nuts. So you got to be careful
Yeah,
not to say
exactly.
anything.
Do you want to go in the
Yeah.
car?
Yeah.
Did you do that? Would have been better than anything. Like Tina said, because my dogs. Yeah,
Oh my gosh, the guilt. The guilt.
you know what I mean? Yeah, I mean that would be closer than some of that.
Who
How are you
pooped in
doing
mommy's
today?
house? Who pooped in mommy's house?
Y'all wait, I get my phone.
Who did this?
I'm going to do it.
My dog loves going to the vet, so we used to give her a weekend at the
Right.
vet for her birthday every year.
Yeah.
So are we finished that
You played 5 rounds.
What?
one? Oh,
It was 5
wonderful.
rounds.
Who won?
Well,
Not
that
even
was
5
fair.
this morning yet.
I know.
Scooter,
but
did you
I
pick it?
have.
You look
I
I
have some.
Yeah,
I don't know
that's
how to play. I have some Jeopardy
Yeah,
questions.
manager 3 monsters. They don't know. Dumb people.
Okay, can y'all hear me?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Because I had to switch over to charge.
Deborah said, "Would you like to work for a stud service?"
Yeah.
Oh my
Let's see
God.
what I have here. I have some Jeopardy questions. I don't know how we would do this.
Everybody in my house is
Oh, the
sick.
Jeopardy.
Oh, I'd rather do or what we were doing again.
I don't think these are. I don't think these are that hard though. Let me see. See what they're like.
Hey, about the time she picks the newlywed game, I'm gonna stop watching.
That time has passed.
That'd be kind of funny though, the newlywed game.
I
Every
used to
answer
have.
would
I used
make
to have the
whoopee.
newlywed game.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I had it too a million years ago.
Yeah.
What is the newlywed? I don't even know what that is.
Oh really? Oh, you're in New Zealand, so yes.
Oh, that's hilarious.
What did Tina? Can you hear a fan? Tina,
Yeah.
did you say?
Can you hear?
Y'all hear a fan?
Well, something's kind of like.
No.
Woof, woof, woof.
Okay,
I don't think-
so here's the That's
Just
the
a little.
final Jeopardy.
My blood pressure.
These are a little bit better
Yeah.
because the Family Feud doesn't give you like the fast money or everything. It's so weird. I don't know. It's really weird.
Can
But
you hear it now?
what?
They
No.
said they could hear something.
I don't hear it now.
This is Final Jeopardy. This is out.
Tina,
Okay.
can you hear it now?
I'm going to tell you the categories, okay? This is Double Jeopardy. So hold on.
That's all I can do. I don't have anything on now.
You good?
What? Hey.
Okay.
Going back.
My crazy life, they don't have a speed round on the
Yeah,
game.
No.
That
I
would
can
be
see a
really
better
hard to
one.
do.
You might, you might hear me scraping a canvas.
Oh, Sharon's lost her.
Okay, so
I'll
Sharon's
be
lost.
right back.
you'll be right back. Where are you going?
What's the question?
My legs.
Well, I didn't get to the question yet.
Okay.
We got to know the rules first.
Sharon's
Thank you,
lost the
Sam.
internet.
Okay.
Did y'all hear me?
All right, so this is the regular Jeopardy right now, not the Double Jeopardy. And we'll just, we'll do a team. So you guys can all collectively give an answer. The same teams. Okay?
Right.
It's kind of like a team Jeopardy. They do this in transportation when they have a
So we
fun night.
talk it over and then,
Yeah, you can give an answer collectively and we'll see which team wins, all right?
okay.
All right, so now these are Jeopardy. Okay.
Wait, do we confer on
Yeah, you
answer?
can confer on it. Yes.
Yeah, Moo, you're in charge on this one, sister. You better
Oh
wake
my
up.
God. Oh no, I get strung out. I'll
So wait, I'll tell you the categories. It's going to be,
Strung
calm
out.
down, guys. Okay. Pop culture.
Oh, here we go.
Hold on.
We can do
no.
chat through here, can't we?
It's going to be pop culture.
2.
2, 4, 6, 8, 1,000. Large animals. 2, 4, 6, 8, 1,000. You can take it for 200, 400, 600, great scientists.
Oh, God.
Okay. American landmarks. And then comfort foods is the last category, okay?
I might do okay on that one.
You can only play like one game with these cards because that's all you get. It's weird.
What was the next to the last one?
What?
Comfort
What was
food.
the next to the last one?
Comfort foods.
American landmarks, I think.
No, you've got, I'll go through it again. You've got large animals.
Large animals.
You have pop culture.
Pop culture.
Okay. You have great scientists.
Great scientists.
And American landmarks and comfort foods.
American landmarks.
How about comfort foods?
So
Oh, no,
let's see. Is everybody here?
Hey,
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay. So
hot off the press.
all right.
And
So
Martin.
you.
What do y'all
let's see.
think? Nana,
I'm
Patty,
gonna wait.
Scooter and all?
Everybody's gonna be quiet.
Have
I'm
we got
gonna,
the same team?
okay.
Are we on the same team?
teams. Yep.
Okay.
Scooter?
So your teams, there's going to be one is Dreaming Scooter, Nana, Diana, and Sharon. Heather, Moo, Mary, Leah, and Florida Gray Lady are on the other team.
Sharon has lost her internet.
Seriously?
Yes, I keep trying to tell you. I'm sorry, but yeah.
Oh, okay. All right. So then we're going to take Sharon off there.
And Scooter's not back yet. Okay.
I'm back.
Oh, she's back? Is that Sharon?
Michelle's here.
Scooter.
No, that's Sharon. She's back.
Lucy, I'm
Yeah,
home.
She's back.
Oh, she's back.
You made me cross her name off. Okay.
Yeah, it took me forever.
What do y'all want to pick? Nana, Patty, and
Okay, well,
Oh,
Scooter. And
hang on a minute. We've got to figure out who's going to go first. So I'm going to think of a number between 1 and 20. Hold on, let me think of one. Okay, and you guys give me a number. Whoever gets closest goes first.
11.
14.
What would you say, 14?
Yes.
Okay, it was 16 that I had, so the other team gave 11. Your team's closer, so okay, Dreaming Scooter, Nana, Diana, Sharon go first. So the categories are large animals, pop culture, great scientists, and
What are we playing?
Jeopardy.
Okay.
You're going to play collectively. You're like all of you can answer the question.
All right.
Okay.
All of us in the same team.
On the team, right. So
Okay.
What do you want? And they all go from questions, from $2 to $1,000 in this one. Large animals, pop cultures, great scientists, American landmarks, or comfort foods.
Do comfort foods.
That's fine.
For what do you want to take it for? 2, 4, 6, 800, or 1,000?
800.
She wants to take it for 800. Okay.
What, is Sharon on our team?
Yeah. Everybody
Yeah.
forget Sharon. It's really okay.
I forget who's on our team.
Here it is. Okay. Here's the question. For comfort foods for 800. These deep fried Mexican treats are often coated with cinnamon and sugar.
Sopapillas.
Sopapillas.
Churros.
Yeah, what
What is a
You got it.
sopapilla?
Are we supposed to just shout it out or
No,
what?
you've got to get your answer as a team.
Oh, I'm sorry. Churros, you guys.
Yeah.
Dreaming.
Sopapillas.
Can't you talk here? Yeah, I can talk there.
It's sopapillas, I think.
You have
I
to
vote
say
for
what is
churro.
sopapillas. Do you have to say what is sopapillas?
Yeah, you've got to have it as a question, but it's wrong. This
Is it wrong?
Yeah. Okay, so
Oh
now,
my
Mexican
goodness.
fried cinnamon.
okay,
What was the answer?
so Dreaming gave another answer, Sharon. So does the
Oh.
other side know it?
Yeah, well, I know what that is.
Well, can you?
Yeah.
And remember, your answer has to be a question. Remember, we're playing Jeopardy.
What are churros?
Yes.
Yeah, that's what I was going to say.
Yes.
That's what Sharon
churros?
said. Nice.
You guys got it. So that's 800 for Heather's team.
I don't even know what that is.
Woo-hoo-hoo.
What's the
There-
answer?
Oh, I'm
Churros.
sorry.
What
I'm not
are
laughing.
Fried
churros?
cinnamon
My
and
husband's
sugar.
from Mexico, so just a warning. Hey,
I'm just saying, that's
Okay.
hilarious.
All right. So that's it. You guys, the winner, Heather, your team is going to be able to
Get
pick
her,
another category. What would you like?
get her your hair sticking out on the side a little more than
I
I.
don't care.
Okay.
Where's
Well,
that?
fresh
Okay,
over there.
everybody focus.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
It's all right.
Heather, do you want,
Yeah.
does your team want large animals, pop cultures, great scientists, American landmarks, or comfort foods?
Pop culture. Wait, what year are the cards?
I don't know. They're now, I just bought them at the Dollar Tree.
Oh,
Let me check my sources.
okay.
Let me check my sources. No, but go, Heather, you choose.
All right, we'll go with pop. That's fine.
For what amount? 2, 4, 6, 8, or 1,000?
Let's go forward. I'm scared.
Okay. Here's your question.
I don't know. What do y'all think? Is that okay?
Yeah,
Fine.
I'm with
Okay,
you.
everybody listen. A
Florida,
19
you ready?
a 1999
listening.
A 1999 sale of her effects included a baseball signed by Joe DiMaggio and a conversion certificate signed by Arthur Miller. That's so easy.
Oh, I know who it is. Marilyn Monroe. Marilyn Monroe. Marilyn Monroe.
Yes,
Who was Marilyn Monroe?
right.
Well, how do you get?
Oh, sorry, we're conversing. What?
I mean, is that all right? How to say it that way? I mean, do we not need to say?
Who was Marilyn Monroe?
Yeah, you've got to say it that way. Yeah. Okay.
Okay,
All right.
Is that all right?
So, yep. So now you go again. What are you going to do
600.
for pop culture?
Yeah.
Okay.
I got you, Heather. Come on.
Okay.
In response to anti-tobacco protests, this toy gave up its attachable pipe in 1987. Oh, I know that.
I know. Yeah.
Is that a candy cigarette? No.
Who was Mr. Potato Head?
Right.
Oh yeah. Oh,
Where you
Lord.
go?
Okay.
Good girl.
My brain is full of useless knowledge.
Okay. What do you want to do?
Full.
Excellent.
All right. What do y'all think now? Leah, y'all jump in.
No,
Wanna
Heather,
keep
you go, honey. I trust you.
No,
Yeah,
you
you go.
tell me. Okay. You want to go again? Same thing?
Sure.
All right.
Okay.
We'll go. We'll go for the next one. What is it? 600?
No, you've got 200, 800, or 1,000.
What do you want?
1,000.
200?
Whatever.
Okay. 200. Nobody said anything.
Okay. In
I
20,
didn't know what
Nobody
you
wants
mean.
to be to blame.
Oh no.
in 2013, this musical based on an animated movie became the first show to gross $1 billion on Broadway?
Oh, I know.
Oh,
It's not,
What
oh
is-
yeah, you're on their side.
Oh, wait, who's
You're on there,
You're-
Timu. Go ahead.
You can say it, Moo.
what is Lion King?
Exactly. Yep.
Yeah.
Okay.
What was it?
Can you
What
guys
is,
hear me?
what is Lion King?
The Lion King.
What is the
That's
Lion
right.
King?
Woo!
Okay.
Can you guys hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. And now.
Okay.
Okay.
Pop culture. What do you guys want? What are you going to stay with? You going to go with something else, or are you going to stay with pop culture?
Come on,
Good
Heather. Go big or go home.
Okay, let's go.
yeah.
Yeah,
That's
let's
what we
go.
do.
We've done this far. We'll get on going.
Okay.
Come on,
You-
sister.
What are you going to do? 800 or 1,000?
800.
Okay. She and Cher are the only pair of Best Actress Oscar winners to have #1 hits on the Billboard Top 40. So someone and Cher are the only pair of Best Actress Oscar winners to have #1 hits on the Billboard Top 40.
Heather, I'm going to say Bette Midler, but I don't know. You said Oscar and top.
She
number
and
one?
Cher are the only
Cher.
pair of Best Actress Oscar winners to have #1 hits on the Billboard Top 40.
I want to say who is Bette Midler, but I don't know. I
Madonna?
agree with that.
No, Madonna
You think so?
wasn't.
What'd you say?
who is Bette Midler?
No.
Damn it! Darn it! Sorry.
Sorry.
Sorry, my language.
Then
All
we
right.
can
So now we have
answer it.
Dreaming's team. What would you like? Large animals, pop culture, great scientists, or American?
I'm sorry,
Life?
Heather.
You're fine. No, it's hard. That's a hard one.
Who was the winner? I mean, who was the? What was the answer?
Was it Barbara
Yeah,
I thought it was
know the answer.
Madonna.
Oh, Barbara
Well-
Streisand.
Okay, so
Oh,
that you
yeah.
guys get it then.
Yeah.
But you didn't. You have to
Streisand.
phrase it like a question, though, please.
Who was Barbara? Oh, that's not my team.
Yeah.
Oh,
Darn it. How would I not know? Oh my God. I'm going to go to bed. I literally
Okay,
cannot.
That one's hard though. Gosh, it could have been, several.
I knew that one,
what
Heather.
one would you like,
Did you?
guys?
Go,
That-
dude.
oh, Scooter. You see? I need. Oh,
Dreaming's
I-
team. Dreaming, Scooter, Nana, Diana, or Sharon. What one?
Scooter. She's funny. She misbehaved.
Let's
Large
Scooter.
animal?
Yeah, large animals.
For
That's
what?
a good one.
For what
Sure,
amount?
why not?
For what amount?
The lowest.
All right.
What do you guys say?
Oh,
Oh,
Or
I
the
think
middle?
it's
I don't care.
right.
Pick something. I don't care.
We're so far
I
behind.
believe it's 3 in the morning.
600, do you think?
Okay, yeah. If you
Sounds
want.
good.
Okay. Also known as a cougar, this cat with a 4-letter name can spring up to about 20 feet in one leap.
a puma.
I know what it is.
You should.
Repeat it, Carolyn.
Okay. Also known as a cougar, this cat with a 4-letter name can spring up to about 20 feet in one leap.
Okay.
I think
I'm
it's a
talking to
puma.
the team now. This isn't the answer. I'm just talking to. What about a puma?
I
Puma?
think it's a smaller.
I'm just saying.
What is a puma?
Is
Yeah,
that, is that your
Diane,
answer?
I agree.
Sounds good to me.
What is a puma is correct.
Woo!
It was Carol.
Well,
There you go.
okay, where are you going to go for the next one?
The Rona.
Oh my God, that's hilarious, Emily.
Dreaming.
What?
The
Are we
next.
going to stay with large animals or pick something else?
Up to you.
How about comfort foods again? Can we do that or
Yeah,
no?
yeah. Go ahead.
Yeah.
What do you want? 2, 4, 6, 8, or 1,000?
1,000.
Okay, comfort foods.
Okay.
Did you do? You didn't do it. Did you do a comfort food already?
Yeah.
No.
No, but you must have done. I don't even remember.
We did.
We did. We did.
Oh, right. Yeah, yes.
Answer was
Gotcha.
churros.
So, what do you want to do it for? Which one amount?
That's up to them, but that's what I would go for. Just to try to catch up.
1,000.
I'd say comfort food
Yep,
too.
1,000 sounds good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. A 50.
Might as well
Okay,
lose
let's
it.
listen.
All right, ladies. A 50s fad, still popular today. This toy was inspired by a Connecticut bakery's pie tins. I know what that is.
What?
Oh,
There's a lot of static and I didn't understand.
could you read that again for Dreaming, please?
Yes. A 50s fad. Still popular today. This toy was inspired by a Connecticut bakery's pie tins.
German.
High tens.
Oh no, that's a E. Sorry.
High tens.
Cupcake. Oh,
And it's
Whipped
a
cream, I
toy.
guess.
oh, it's a toy, yeah. I
Oh, it's
don't
a
know.
toy?
What?
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
You
is it that
guys,
little?
the pie
it that-
tin with frisbee on it.
We have the other team. Heather,
What
I
kind
know.
of-
Heather, where are you?
I'm here.
Calling Heather.
I'm listening.
It's a toy, so what would it be?
They ain't given their answer yet, though.
Can,
Oh my gosh.
You know that little kitchen
I am
that
just going to, do you guys want to say what's the Pillsbury Doughboy?
No.
Sour.
no, it's a toy.
That is a
Is it-
toy.
Morons.
Oh, it is.
Morons.
What about that little kitchen that had a light bulb and you could put?
Oh, easy bake oven?
Yes.
Yeah. I'm just throwing it out there.
Martin.
That sounds good to me.
Guys, I think I remember it from Back to the Future. And it's the pie tin that says frisbee on it.
Oh, yeah, try that, Sharon.
Pie tin with what?
Okay, what is a frisbee?
Okay.
That is correct.
Oh, wow, I
That's it.
never even would have thought that.
Gosh,
I would have never
there
gotten
needs
that.
to be a time limit on
I
this.
know.
No.
Time limit.
It seems obvious
Way to
when
go,
you
Sharon.
When
That
it's
was
the other
good.
team, they need a time limit. Our team, no.
That was good, y'all. That was awesome, though.
Okay, go ahead now, Scooter. What are you going to pick?
Same thing, comfort foods,
For 2, 4,
the
or 6?
highest one left.
600.
So hard.
Okay.
Let's see,
The
800.
name of this basic tomato-based spaghetti sauce means in sailor style.
Oh, marinara.
Ragu?
Marinara.
Ragu or Pragu?
Uh-huh. What is marinara, you guys?
What is marinara?
Yeah, that sounds good. What is marinara?
Is that your final answer?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, yes, that's right.
Yeah.
Well
Okay,
done.
now, what's going on here? Come on, Heather.
I
We need
know.
to take it back.
I know.
Marinara is a seafood.
What are we going to go with now?
What was
What is
that?
that noise?
Oh, sorry, that was
I have
me.
no
I
idea,
closed
but
my
it sounded
door.
terrible.
Oh, it's your door.
That's
Okay.
me.
All right.
I closed my door.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
What are you going to go with, Scooter, here? You're going to do comfort foods, or you're going to move to something else?
Yeah, let's stick with that again.
400 or 200?
400.
Okay.
Do y'all hear that popping?
What?
Yeah.
Yeah.
A loud popping.
Yeah. All right. So we have ketchup is often baked right into this main dish that shares its name with a pop music star.
What is meatloaf?
Oh,
Oh,
Is that your final answer?
that's it.
But don't
Is
like
that-
your meatloaf.
Is that your
You're
final?
right.
Is that your final answer?
What is meatloaf?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. You
Way
got
to
it.
go, Nana.
Okay.
That is good, Nana.
Burns.
Well done.
Scooter. Same. Are you going to stay and finish the category?
Yeah, uh-huh.
Okay. So you've got on September 29th, 2008, every stock in the S&P 500 dropped except this soup maker.
What is Campbell?
Oh,
And
yeah, I would say that too, that is Campbell's soup.
Campbell.
Yes. Okay, where are you going to go now? American landmarks, great scientists,
Boring.
pop culture, or large animals?
American landmarks.
Yeah, that'd be good.
Okay.
Wait, whose team is it?
No, it's
our team.
It's Nana, Patty, it's Diana, Sharon, Scooter, and Draving.
Okay, American landmarks.
Okay.
Is that right?
Yeah.
For what amount?
400.
Girls.
400?
You're in it,
You
Teresa.
go in the middle.
400. Okay.
4.
Okay. El Cap is what climbers call this over 3,000-foot wall of rock in Yosemite?
Oh, I was reading about that not so long
El
ago.
Capitan? Are we supposed to come up with the
Yeah, you got to come
name?
up with the answer, with the question.
It's El Capitan, you guys.
Sounds good to me.
Sounds good to me.
Yes, that's correct.
Oh, well done. Was that you, Sharon?
Yeah,
Ah, well done, sweetheart. That
Way to
was
go.
great.
thank you.
Way to go.
Okay. What do you want to go with? You want to stay with landmarks?
Why don't you guys want to try pop culture?
There's only
Sure,
one.
I don't care.
There's one left for 1,000. You want to do
Oh,
Wow, Scooter's just.
sure.
it? Music.
Yeah.
Music.
Haven't done the scientists yet.
No, not yet.
Goodness.
Oh, no.
Thank you.
Musically, it's one of the best-selling albums of all time. Astronomically, it was first seen in Russian photos taken in 1959.
59?
It says musically,
Oh.
no, musically, it's one of the best-selling albums of all time. Astronomically, it was first seen in Russian photos taken in 1959.
A space odyssey or something like that. Russian in 1959.
I don't have any clue.
I'm not even that old.
You guys gonna steal? You guys can steal. You guys
No,
can jump in.
wait. You guys can't give up
Yeah,
that
answer.
quickly.
Yeah, Sharon's still thinking.
Yeah, but that's not how Jeopardy works. Like if
Oh,
you get a
okay,
chance, and then if
sorry.
you wait too long, they can buzz
Read
in.
the question again, Carolyn, please.
Okay, musically, it's one of the best-selling albums of all time. Astronomically, it was first seen. Oh my gosh, astronomically, like in the outer space. It was first seen in Russian
Dark Side of
photos
the Moon?
taken.
Oh,
What is the dark side of the moon?
That's
Correct.
too.
this is not getting good. This
Yes.
is
The
Were we
Dark
right?
Side of the Moon
Yeah, Dark Side of the Moon.
Yeah.
in
Yeah.
1950 something.
No,
No,
see,
that the
59.
picture was then.
Picture.
The picture.
Oh God! I was like, well, what?
Okay, let's go, Scooter and everybody. What are you going to pick now?
Oh my God!
They took so long to get that answer.
Let's go to pop culture
I
again.
know.
All right.
What was the answer for that one?
What is the dark side of the moon? But there is no more pop culture.
Right. Oh.
You have large
Pink
animals.
Okay, large
great
animals.
scientists okay, large animals for 2, 4, 8, or 1,000.
Oh my God! It's 3:50.
2.
All right.
Sorry, my phone went dead.
Okay. 2, 4, 8, or 1,000.
How about 2, guys? Go something easy, maybe.
Okay, fine. Two's good.
Mm-hmm.
Correct. The largest single living animal cell on Earth is the yolk of this flightless bird's egg.
Ostrich.
Ostrich, yes.
What is an ostrich?
What is
What
an
is an
ostrich?
Correct.
a stupid bird.
Do the next one.
Sorry.
My daughter's here laughing at us.
Okay, what are you going to do?
400.
Okay.
Oh,
And you're right, Heather.
Next to humans, it's the land mammal with the longest lifespan.
Next to what? Humans?
Next to humans.
Ele-
I know it. What is it? Is it mammal? Did you say?
Next to humans, it's the land mammal with the longest lifespan.
I would say, what is an elephant?
Elephant, yes.
But
or a horse.
it's up to you guys.
Well, I don't know. I'm just kidding.
Elephant.
Mammal.
You have to say it
But
like
is that a mammal? Did she say mammal?
Yeah.
Yes.
mammal.
I would say
A mammal.
elephant.
Okay.
Is that your final answer? What's your final answer?
What is an elephant?
Correct.
A dog. What was it?
Woohoo!
Okay, what do you want to do?
That's fun.
Sharon,
What was
pick
the answer
something.
to
Large
that one?
animals for 800. It was one
Okay.
of the largest horned dinosaurs. 2 of its 3 horns were up to 3 feet long. That is so easy.
Triceratops.
Yes.
Way to
Triceratops.
go.
Yes. What is the Triceratops?
What is a Triceratops?
Okay. You're going to do it for 1,000? Large animals?
Sure, why
You're going
not?
to finish it off?
Yep.
Okay. This monster is the largest lizard native to the U.S.
What is a Komodo dragon?
I think you're right.
Not the hornet.
Yes, I think that's right too.
Is that your final answer?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Other team?
I know.
Ooh, I was wrong.
The
What
other
did,
team?
what,
you
did,
were
what
wrong.
did she say? What was her answer?
They said Komodo dragon.
They don't get a
Kimono.
chance, do they?
Reptile?
No,
That's, is it,
no. This monster is the largest lizard native to the U.S.
is it a snake? It's got to be a
Oh, to the
Team
U.S.
is guessing, Carolyn.
What?
Who are you asking?
The other
Guessing.
team. You guys. I'm asking
Oh.
Heather, Boo, Mary,
Heather.
Leah, and Florida lady.
Right.
Oh.
Oh, I had something, but it's the other team.
I know what the answer is.
What is it?
It's a Gila monster.
Yes, say it.
I was,
Say
yeah,
it
I
in
was
your
just
question.
thinking that.
Put it in your question.
Monster.
Your question.
Gila monster.
I was.
Yes.
I thought
Okay.
it was our turn.
Now you guys have control of the board again.
Woo!
Okay, now let's try to. Okay, you've got American landmarks and great scientists.
All right, Mary. Moo.
Look, let's do great scientists and get it over with.
Oh no.
Oh, Lord.
Moo. What
What's
do you
the
want?
other one?
American
Great
landmark.
scientists and American landmarks.
Oh, God, I'm doomed either way.
Landmark.
Landmarks for what? 2, 6, 8, or 1,000?
Do 2.
All right. The Gateway Arch was completed in this city in 1965.
So easy.
Well, give you the answer.
Go ahead.
What is St. Louis, Missouri?
Yes. What is St. Louis? Yep.
Thank you.
That one was very easy.
Okay. Now you
Very easy.
want to
If you
do
say
it?
so.
Do you want to go for 600 in that category?
What
So.
says Heather?
The other
go
category
ahead.
is great scientists.
We'll go with the 600. It's fine.
Okay.
Landmarks.
Historic landmarks in this city include Hull House and the Marshall Field and Company building.
Oh, I know. Oh, God. I want to say, what is Chicago, Illinois? I don't know. Marshall Field. That's Chicago.
Gotta be.
Whole house is Chicago. I don't know.
It is.
Girls, is that you going to go
Moo.
with that? Girls? The team?
Moo.
I am.
Okay.
I have no idea.
That's right.
Yeah.
What is Chicago?
Oh, thank God.
Okay.
Way to go.
Next one.
I can't handle being wrong.
Okay, good.
Yeah, I know.
That's not nice.
Do you want American landmarks or great scientists?
Landmarks.
Heather.
Which? How much is it? For 1,000 or what?
800 or 1,000?
Oh God. I don't know. What do y'all think?
800.
Okay.
Okay, listen now. The first U.S. national monument, this Wyoming tower, is the neck of an ancient volcano.
Wyoming. Oh, the Devil's Tower. What is the Devil's Tower?
Yes.
Yep.
Okay. You want to finish it off for 1,000?
Hold on. Wait, let me finish this, Abby. Why are you even awake?
Yeah,
Okay.
do 1,000.
Do you want to do it for 1,000?
Okay.
Okay.
Yep.
This
Go
state
crazy.
is home to the USA's largest portrait busts.
So what?
What
This
now?
state is home to the USA's largest
I
portrait
know.
busts?
What is South Dakota?
Yes.
Mount Rushmore. Boom.
Well done.
Oh, wow.
All right, now we have great
good.
scientists.
Good.
You want us to do 2, 4, 6,
You're
8,
good,
1,000?
Mary.
Do
I
the lowest
don't know
one.
why. My brain is asleep. I don't know. I work better when I'm asleep. Okay. No, I can't do that right now.
2, 4, 6, 8, or
Let's go, Heather. What do you think? Scientists for
Uh-huh.
1,000, just go big or go home, or what do you want to
Oh,
do?
God.
No? Okay.
Whatever you think.
Do the 200.
You're the boss. You're the lead.
Let's start like at 600 or 400 or something.
400.
Let's see how bad it is.
All right. Watson and Crick found this. Wait, listen, it's not that hard. Watson
No,
and Crick
not.
found this has a double helix structure.
DNA.
What is DNA?
What is DNA?
Whoops. Yes. Let me just. Where's your? No. Wait, hold on.
Yeah.
No. Just wait a second. No, because I'm just looking at. Yes, that's correct. I knew double helix because I know that structure, but I was looking at the wrong answer. I'm like, wait a minute, and I looked at that. I'm like, that can't be the answer. Okay, you're right. DNA. What is DNA? Okay, what do you want to do now?
They made me read that book in college. That's the only reason I know that.
Oh, I know that too from AP Biology. I know it, and I
Yeah,
every time I
right?
teach my kids, and they just learn the I
Watson
told them
and
about
Crick.
the double helix, and that's what
I
I was
know
looking at
nothing
the
about
wrong
it.
answer because I thought it was the $200 question, and I was like,
You know, I'm so
that's not
stupid.
right because it was a person's name, and I'm like, what? That can't be. Okay. Go ahead.
Only
Who
if
what
they
do
pay.
you want to do? 6, 8, 1,000, or 200?
6.
6.
Look at Heather. She's going for the gold.
Okay.
I'm not going for nothing. I'm just relying on you.
Okay, let's listen.
I'm picking
She wants to go to bed.
Denied a college education in her own country, in 1903 she became the first woman in France to earn her doctorate.
Oh. What's
I want to
that?
say who is Marie Curie, but I don't know.
Yes.
I was going to
yes.
say Marie Curie
That's
also.
correct. Okay.
Is that correct?
That's correct.
Why don't I know stuff during
Y'all
the
are
day? Oh my lord!
Okay, so you've got 200.
I need to be up
800,
all night with
1,000.
mommy because this is the time I know stuff.
2, 8, or 1,000.
Come on, Heather. What do you think?
8.
Come on, go to bed. We want to go to bed. Okay, 800.
Okay.
You got you had that answer.
Okay. Black inventor, but moves on their team. Garrett Morgan developed parts of the gas mask later used by American soldiers during this war.
What is
I
World
know
War
this
II?
one. Not my team. I finally know something.
Okay. A black inventor, Garrett Morgan, developed parts of the gas mask later used by American soldiers during this war. What's your answer?
Oh, maybe it would have been. I don't know, Heather. What do you think? Maybe what is Vietnam?
Vietnam.
Is that your final answer?
I don't know about that.
I don't know either. I'm thinking like a World War I or 2.
Yeah, I was gonna. I want to say World War II.
It's
Okay,
World War
so-
One. World War One.
Yeah, I'd say 1.
What is World War One?
Correct.
World War 1.
Woo!
That's what I
Heather,
was
you
gonna
see?
say. I
Get
did
it,
that.
right? Get it?
Okay.
Did we get it?
Yes.
Yeah, you got it, girl.
Okay.
Woo.
So you've got 200 or 1,000?
That's a good guess. 200 or what? I'm sorry.
1,000.
Let's go for 200.
Okay. This British naturalist's grandfather, Erasmus, had earlier developed his own theory on evolution.
Say one more time.
What? Can you?
Oh,
Yes.
look at the baby.
This British, oh gosh, I can't talk. This British naturalist's grandfather, Erasmus, had earlier developed his own theory on evolution?
Oh, I know that.
Who is, I don't know, Isaac Newton? I don't know. That is beyond my realm of, because I said I knew everything. Now I know nothing. So there you go. I want to say who Isaac.
We're gonna lose at 200, aren't we?
It's 200.
Moo.
No, I'm too boggled by the question.
This British naturalist's grandfather, Erasmus, had earlier developed his own theory on evolution.
British.
What is zoonomia?
So
I want to say who was Isaac Newton, but I don't know.
Darwin theory. What is Darwin theory?
We're gonna say who's Darwin.
Darwin.
Phrase it in a question, please.
Charles Darwin.
Who is Darwin?
Who is Charles Darwin? Yes.
Oh, he's British? Wow.
Okay, and then 1,000 is the last one in this regular round of Jeopardy. In 1924, Louis Victor de Broglie described this wave-like properties of this basic particle of an atom.
String theory. No.
Nuclear.
No. In 1924, Louis Victor de Broglie described this wave-like property of this basic particle of an atom.
Oh, wow. Wave-like.
What is quantum theory? No, no.
Like.
Okay, other team, you can get ready to steal.
I have no clue. No clue. No idea.
Can you repeat it, please?
Yes. In 1924, Louis Victor de Broglie described this wave-like property of this basic particle of an atom.
What is a proton?
What are electrons?
We're on. It's our side now.
Wait. Too many people are going at once. Okay. Proton, zzz, and then your team said electron. Zzz.
Wait,
Okay.
let's talk about it.
Yeah, talk about it.
I thought whenever you got one wrong, it just ended with that question. And the other team got to go.
I thought that somebody can buzz in and steal it.
No, I didn't think so.
Oh, tonight we are.
Oh, one of you guys do it.
A Doppler. Is it Doppler?
No.
Oh, let's talk about it. Repeat the question.
Yeah, I'm talking about it. Saying.
She already lost it when she said that.
It's a wave of electricity.
Oh, we lost. Okay.
So it's not. Oh, I'm just saying to the team is maybe the Doppler effect.
But no. Carolyn already answered it. Said no. So it's the other team, right, Carolyn?
Electron.
Well, no one's gotten it right.
Electrons?
Okay.
Molecule.
So, okay, who's going to buzz in? I mean, because you guys are all saying stuff, I don't know who.
Nobody knows. Nobody knows the answer.
Again, please, Carolyn.
In 1924, Louis Victor de Broglie described the wave-like properties of this basic particle of an atom.
The basic of the nucleus.
What is an atom?
Theory?
Electron, the proton.
But I don't
what
know.
Is an atom?
You've got to say your name and who's saying, because I have no. Everybody's like yelling things. I don't know who's got it.
Okay. Well, Diana, I'm saying to the team, what is string theory? No,
it's part of an atom.
Yeah,
that's a theory.
What is nuclear?
There's a proton, neutron, and the nucleus.
Yeah.
What is
and the outer
radiant
shell.
energy?
Well, I would say nucleus. I don't know.
What is nuclear? It's the only thing I can think of.
I think the nucleus.
Nuclear.
Okay, that's
right. You're saying, Scooter, what are we saying? The nucleus.
I have no idea. I didn't say anything. I don't know.
Oh,
what is nucleus?
What is nuclear?
Well, it's a nucleus.
Heather's team. Anything? Any guesses? Heather's team. Hurry up, buzz in.
Mary, what do you think?
What is nuclear?
Nuclear.
You both got it wrong. What is an electron?
What? What?
What is an
The
electron?
orbit?
Electron.
What?
Electron.
Electron.
Is it charge ionic? Is it
Okay,
ionic?
protons, neutrons, electrons,
Electrons.
and the
Do you want?
nucleus.
Are you ready to go for the double jeopardy, or do you want to stop there?
Let's do it.
What?
Go.
Oh my gosh.
I don't know. Scoot's falling asleep.
Scoot's falling
Wake
asleep.
up.
Well, we.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right.
Or Ambien. Should be good to go.
Okay.
I did take Ambien, so I should get interesting in no time.
All right. So
You won't
let's see who won. Let's see who won then. Let me see who won. Let me count it
Oh
up.
my gosh.
That's 1,000, 1,600, 2,000,
That's pretty fun, though.
3,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000.
Deborah's in
7,000.
Vancouver.
Okay, now
I
remember
love
this.
your name.
Remember this. 7,600 for your team, Heather. I've got to add theirs up. 7,600. Remember that, please.
Okay.
Oh, I'm sure we lost.
14.
I think we did.
14, 24,
Yeah.
28.
Oh, y'all were going for a long time.
28, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000,
See?
Because Mary was on a roll.
6,400.
Yeah, and then I lost my roll. My roll
6,000.
went
We lost
right
our
out the
200.
door.
Yeah, but you
That
got
was
quite
pretty
a few
close,
of them.
though.
You did awesome.
We did fair.
Everybody did great.
Heather's team got Charles Darwin. That was a
Hey,
difficult one for
listen,
them.
everybody did great on that. That was hard. All of them were hard.
But that was
What
the
a good game.
$200 question.
I know it.
Yeah.
No, Ivy Lynn, women wouldn't do that. We'd make cookies.
Hey, cookies? What?
Oh, I'm just answering. Ivy Lynn said, good thing is females don't have to invent nuclear bomb, but actually would a female make that? And my answer is no. We wouldn't.
That's true.
We're not into destruction.
Is
That's
Heather
true.
carding? They think you're carding wool? Emily says.
I
Is Heather
plead the
carding
fifth.
wool?
Oh.
Dog.
Oh, it's the
Is
dog.
that what
Oh,
you're doing,
yeah.
Heather? Oh, it's the dog.
Yeah.
Do you
It's
save
a
the hair and
dog.
weave it? People do.
That was fun.
It was
Wait,
fun.
is
Yeah.
the game over?
Well, yeah, because nobody was up for double jeopardy.
I would have done it.
I'll do it.
You said everybody was falling asleep.
Yeah, we're like,
Well,
I just
Scooter,
asked you guys. You're like,
poor
no,
Debbie's
we're
falling
falling asleep.
I'm not
I'm
I'm
falling
gonna nudge her.
asleep.
My ADD meds wear off
Oh,
very early.
Sadie said, please. My dog said, please
I'll
hurry
do
up. Quick, so
Right.
hurry.
I
I do
mean,
want to go to sleep though.
if y'all want to do it, I'll do
Do it for
it.
fun. Okay.
It's only 8:30 in the evening here, so I'm fine.
Ah!
Who wants to play Double Jeopardy? Might as well.
Let's
Do
do
it.
it.
me as well.
That's it.
What else are we gonna do?
That's it, and then that's it.
Okay,
I'm
well
in.
then 76.
Go for it,
Well, then
Carolyn.
now you've got to get I've got to put those numbers down because you guys said that was it. That's why I added you up. 76 to 64.
76 and
To
6,400.
Yeah. Okay.
I wrote it down.
All right. Now I've got
Come on, team. We can pull ahead. We'll
I
just,
put everything away because you're like, no, Scooter's falling asleep.
are you scared?
Yes,
Is she
yes,
there?
baby.
That's
Oh, I'm here.
Oh, there you are.
I'm here.
Is Florida here?
Hanging in there.
Florida
Yes,
Green
she's
Ladies.
here.
I'm here.
okay. Now we got to go get the doubles now. Let's see.
Good Lord, I'm gonna be asleep really late tomorrow. Fine.
You'll be all right.
I can't afford to sleep today.
Yeah, I know.
That's right.
Why not?
Today is today. That's right.
Huh?
Why not?
Because I got to go aggravate a teacher that's been a pain in my ass for 2 years.
A
Oh,
teacher.
really?
Your kids are out of school, aren't they?
No, it's my neighbor down the street.
Oh.
Oh,
What are you going to activate them about?
Me and my neighbors have been planning this for a week.
A
What are you
surprise party?
No,
oh,
she was. This woman is a teacher, okay? You would think she would have some common sense.
Wow.
But
Tell 'em,
it's in
Lisa.
Florida, so that just totally kills that. First, she moved in and she was my friend for a year. And then my old neighbors moved back in that happened to have a jet ski and 2 motorcycles and the slings, and she just totally turned her back on me. Then she decided that she was going to turn her back on them to the lady down the street that has a little 6-year-old girl. Okay. Because she has a 2-year-old daughter. Well, she's been gone on vacation all week. She doesn't know I have a new toy.
She didn't know you got a slingshot either.
That's what I'm saying. She has not a clue.
You go right up in there like a boss, girl.
No, we've got this figured out. The neighbor that has the 2 of them is going to come and get mine with I got like blue and silver pom-pom, like great, those things.
Be
He's going to
cheerleaders.
take it to his house, and he's going to park it, and he's going to put them on. And then my husband gets to go over there, and he gets to call me, and yeah, we're going to have fun with this.
Yeah. Sounds like it.
You're going to enjoy this.
Oh, yes, I am.
Right up there.
Okay, are we ready now for the categories?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We have famous board games, great moments in sports, at the movies, fascinating bugs, and outer space.
Okay.
Okay, now who got the last answer?
The other team
Okay,
missed
so
it.
you
and
guys,
we missed it.
you guys have the pick of the board. What do you want?
Who?
Heather's team.
Board games.
Board games?
Scooter, you pick.
No, not Scooter.
No, it's not us.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Heather, what do you want to do?
Okay, board game.
For what?
I don't know.
400, 800, 1200,
400.
1600, or 2000?
400.
Okay. Created to explain Henry George's single tax theory, this board game was first sold by Parker Brothers in 1935.
Oh, is that Monopoly?
Say it again.
Remember, you have to phrase it as a question or it doesn't count.
No, I'm concurring.
What is clue? I don't know.
Will you say that question one more time? I'm sorry.
Yes. Created to explain Henry George's single tax theory, this board game was first sold by Parker Brothers in 1935.
Yeah, Moo was right. It's what is Monopoly?
I always
Yes,
say yeah.
correct.
What is sorry?
Way to go, Moo.
It's Monopoly.
Monopoly.
Okay. Who goes? You guys go. What do you want?
The next one.
Okay. The object of this game with a 4-letter name is to occupy every country and thus conquer the world.
What is risk?
What is the answer there?
What is risk?
Yes.
Yeah, that's it.
Well
Who
done.
said that?
What do you want to do?
Mary. What do you want to do? You want to keep going?
Can we do the movie one or no?
Yes.
Okay.
Go
Yeah.
ahead. You want to start with 400?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
The cloning of dinosaur DNA propels this 1993 movie blockbuster.
What is
What is
risk?
Jurassic Park?
Correct. Okay. What do you want to do?
The next one.
At the movies?
400.
Okay. This prison film starring Tim Robbins is based on a Stephen King story.
What is Shawshank Redemption?
Correct.
Yep.
Oh,
Okay.
Oh, I love that.
What would you like?
easy peasy.
What would you like?
You want to keep going?
Sure.
Who's going now?
We are.
600.
No, there's no 600. There's 1,200 at the movies or 1,200 board games.
You pick, Heather.
That's gonna be hard.
You'd never last with Alex.
I know it. We'll go movie.
Movies, okay. In 2015, this non-human character was made an honorary citizen of Japan after 60 years of having a presence there. That's so easy.
Who is Godzilla?
Yes.
That's okay.
And I don't even watch
My
those
son
movies.
stayed at the Godzilla Hotel in Tokyo.
Okay.
They actually had a Godzilla.
Yeah. Okay, what else? What
Oh.
would you guys like? Have you guys ever seen Jeopardy and they're like, I'll take that for 200. I'll take it for 400. I'll take it for 600. Like, you got to snappy. We got to get snappy here, okay?
It's because it's 3:41.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
4:42 in the morning. How
Snappy,
can
No, it's really
snappy.
4:40.
Okay, snappy, let's go. What are we going to do here?
The categories work.
Okay. 1,200
Board game.
I
board
feel like
games.
I'm playing with like 120-year-old people now. Come on, hurry up.
120
Step
years old.
in there.
It's
Put
a
a
big
little hat
though.
on your step, guys.
Okay.
What are we
Go ahead.
taking?
1,200, the board game thing.
Yeah.
Okay, 1,200 for where we go. Here we go. The name of this word search game with lettered cubes means bewildered.
Just Scrabble?
No, what is,
Oh, no.
what is boggle?
What's
Oh,
your final
yeah.
answer, guys?
That's right. No,
What
she's
about-
right.
What is your final answer?
Come on. What
What
that
is
other
boggle?
person?
Boggle.
The other girl named Moo. Would you please give your answer?
What is,
The other girl named Moo, please.
What is boggle?
There you
Correct.
go. Woo!
Okay, let's go. What are you going
So
to do?
easy.
What's the other categories?
Famous board games, great moments in sports, at the movies, fascinating bugs, or outer space.
At the movies for 1,200.
1,600. Okay,
Oh, sorry.
that's okay. Charlton Heston had a cameo in this 2001 remake directed by Tim Burton.
Yep. Easy peasy.
Mm-hmm.
He had a what?
Charlton Heston had a cameo in this 2001 version, remake of
This
With
Charlton
by Tim
Heston had a
Burton?
cameo in this 2001 remake directed by Tim Burton.
Quickly.
Quickly, darlings. Anyone?
Just because you know it, don't be rubbing it in quickly.
Quickly,
It's not our
quickly.
turn. It's not our turn.
a remake by Tim Burton. I don't know.
No answer?
Moo, do you know it?
Okay,
I don't
the other
know.
team, you have an answer?
Planet of the Apes.
Yeah,
Who's,
no.
who's saying that?
Me.
Heather
Diana.
says yes, you got it.
Oh my gosh! Wow! Bravo, Heather.
Okay, what would you like now?
Hey, girl, she knows how to bring it in.
What's happening? Sorry, what's happening?
What?
Carolyn, you threw it over to the other team, I thought, because I called out Planet of the Apes.
Did you?
No.
Yeah.
Diana says she called out Planet of the Apes. What did the audience hear? What did the studio
She
audience
I heard
did, but she's
Heather.
not
Let
on
me
the
ask the
team.
studio
She
audience.
did hear it. We thought it
She
was our
did.
turn.
Let me ask the studio
Yeah,
audience.
we're not going to shout out an answer.
Studio audience.
I apologize. I didn't
Just
know.
that Carolyn said, okay, the other team, and I said, okay, Planet of the Apes.
Okay,
but
we'll give it to Diana. There we go.
either way, I'm happy either way.
Okay, it's all right. Come on,
The
other
chat's
team now.
saying
Let's go.
Kiva.
Let's go,
I
other
have a
team.
question.
Yes.
How do we know when we can say it or not? Because I didn't know that we could say it then.
'Cause I said other team, you can steal it.
She went back to
Oh,
her.
okay.
Okay, let's go, other team. What do you want?
Okay,
What do you
Scoot,
guys
what
want?
Other team.
Thanks
What do
for
you guys
chat.
want?
I see y'all.
Fascinating.
Nana?
It doesn't matter to me. You pick.
Other team.
Yeah, just pick it.
Pick it, Sharon. I don't even know what the categories are anymore.
Sharon, movies? Do you want movies, Scooter?
Okay, let's go with movies.
Movies, yeah.
Let's try movies.
Start at the lowest, I guess.
Movies?
Oh.
Well, there's only one left, and it's 2000.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
She won her first Oscar as Best Supporting Actress playing Joanna Kramer.
Oh.
Oh.
That's
Kramer
an
versus
easy one.
Kramer. What is?
I know who it is. I know.
What
I,
did you, what did you say, Dreaming?
I think it's Barbara Streisand. I don't know. It's
What was
Kramer
the question
versus
again,
Kramer.
Carolyn?
Okay, the question again is, she won her first Oscar as Best Supporting Actress playing Joanna Kramer.
oh, come on, guys. You know.
Kramer versus Kramer, you guys.
That is.
But Sharon, you're on this team.
Oh,
Our team.
Oh, whose team is it now?
It's our
Scooter-
team.
It's your team. Scooter, Nana Patty, Dreaming, and you guys really, this is getting
No,
scary.
I don't
Okay.
think it's Barbara Streisand.
Oh, so I'm on this team.
Yes, you're on
I'm
this
on this
team.
team.
Who is
Yes.
Meryl Streep?
Oh,
Oh,
Meryl
come on.
Streep.
Oh, yeah.
Who
Meryl
is
Streep.
Meryl
Yes,
Streep?
yes, yay, okay.
Well done. I didn't know that one at all. No, not a clue.
Lord have mercy.
What
Okay,
what
what's-
categories
you
are
want
left?
fascinating bugs, outer space, great moments in sports, or famous board games?
Famous board game.
Okay.
Okay.
Next time we're gonna have to have beverages.
In this board game, you must solve the case of millionaire Samuel Black murdered in his own mansion.
Clue.
You guys
What
know
is
this
Clue?
one.
You guys are not answering. I mean, you guys are not paying attention.
What is Clue?
What is Clue? Yeah.
Cluedo. Is it Cluedo?
Clue.
What is Clue?
Correct.
I think you're right.
What do you want? What do you want?
Well done,
2000 famous board
Sharon.
game. You want famous board games for 2000?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Sure.
A board game based on this best-selling phone app includes three green pigs, and a slingshot-style launcher.
Angry Birds.
Oh, what's Angry
What is
Birds?
Angry Birds?
Angry Bird.
Correct. Okay, you want great moments in sports, fascinating bugs, or outer space?
Outer space.
Outer space, yes.
For 400, or on you want to?
400.
Okay. The Crab Nebula is what remains of this super explosion observed and recorded in 1054.
Hey.
Dang.
A supernova. What is a supernova?
Correct.
Oh, okay. I was going to say that.
Anyone else?
I was
Do you want to go
thinking that,
outer
too.
space, fascinating bugs, or great moments in sports?
I agree with Sharon.
What? You got that. Yeah, that's correct. But now you're
Yeah.
on to the next question.
You guys
My
want
next
bugs,
question is
sports, or
story.
outer space?
Sports,
Let's
bugs,
go.
or outer space?
Do outer space again.
Okay. Many astronomers believe the great Andromeda spiral galaxy has one of these light-sucking collapsed stars
Oh.
at its center.
What is a black hole?
Black hole.
black
What is a
hole,
black hole? Yeah. Andromeda.
Correct.
Yeah.
Yeah, black hole.
Okay.
Well done.
What do you want to do? You want to keep doing outer space?
Yeah.
Yeah, huh?
Okay.
That's all.
We're killing it.
Its return about every 76 years has been done.
What is Haley's Comet?
Yes.
Comet.
Comet.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, how rude.
Okay.
What is Haley's
That's it.
Comet? So
Way to
we
go.
You
remain.
want to keep going outer
So good.
space?
Yeah.
Looks like we're doing good.
The length.
Bro.
Okay, let's listen, ladies.
Look.
The length of this planet's day is almost the same as ours, 24 hours and 37 minutes.
See,
What
that's-
is Mars?
What is Venus?
Oh.
Because we're
Oh,
five.
yeah. Yeah. Or wait.
Can you say it again, Karen,
Yes.
please?
The length of this planet's day is almost the same as ours, 24 hours and 37 minutes.
I say, what is Mars? But I'm not sure.
I'm thinking Titan. I don't know. We maybe stick with Mars. It's more
I
topical.
think it's Venus because it's
It might be
similar in
Venus.
size.
Are you positive about that, Sharon?
Well, we're
positive?
24 hours. Venus is closer to the sun. Let's see, there's Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars.
There's more than one sun. Anyway, we'll go with
You got the
And it would be
Mars, Titan, or Venus.
Final answer, ladies.
Titan's not a planet, though.
Isn't it? What is it?
It's a moon.
The moon.
No, that's not. It's
Oh, it's a
moon.
moon, right?
I think
Final
it's
answers,
Venus.
ladies.
I think it's Venus.
Okay, well, I guess we'll go with that. I think it's Mars, but I could be totally off.
What is your final answer, ladies?
They say Venus.
How would you
Oh,
phrase
Mars.
that, ladies?
What is Venus?
Wrong.
Oh, I
Other
was
team, do you want to steal?
What is Mars?
Correct.
Can I say something? Can I say something?
Sorry.
Yeah, you can say something.
Can I say something?
Yes.
We're not telling how much we want to bet for.
Yeah, we are. They just said do the next one. Yeah.
I think Venus is just gas, isn't it? Not that I'm good in astronomy.
Planet.
Okay. Heather's team, what do you want next? You want to finish outer space for 2000 or you want to go on to something else?
Mary, what do you think?
I think I don't know anything anymore, but
All right, let's go on
We
to
have
something else.
fascinating
I will
bugs.
not do sports. Do not do sports.
Okay. You've got
If
fascinating
you have to
bugs.
do
for-
science, then do science. Sports are not.
Well, I know nothing about science, so.
Okay. All right, ladies. What do you want to do?
What are the options?
Great moments in sports, fascinating bugs, or outer space?
Do the bugs.
Okay. Bugs for 400?
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. Of the 3 classes of ants in a colony, this one lives the longest, up to 20 years.
Jesus.
That's
You
difficult.
know what?
Of
I don't know.
the
The
3
worker.
classes of ants in a colony, this one lives the longest, up to 20 years.
What is the worker?
Is that-
No, what is the queen?
Yeah, I'll take
Wait,
queen.
are we answering it or are they?
No, they are answering. What's your final answer, ladies?
They are. Okay.
The queen. What is the queen?
Correct.
No.
Would you like to do bugs or sports or the last outer space?
I guess we'll do bugs. We'll try that one.
Okay.
Oh,
Species of this stinging arachnid from the zodiac can live on only 1 meal a year.
What is a scorpion?
Yeah. Yes.
What's the scorpion?
I didn't ask you your final answer, but it was right. Okay. What do you want to do?
Queen.
You want to continue with bugs?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Texas state insect is this royal butterfly. The Texas state insect is this royal butterfly.
What is the monarch?
What is monarch?
Correct.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to continue with bugs.
job. Might as well.
The arachnid with a paternal name, oh, this is so easy, emits a bad odor when disturbed. I never knew it emitted a bad odor.
I didn't know
What is
that
the daddy
either.
I never
longlegs?
knew it either. What did you guys say?
What is the daddy long legs?
Correct.
I've heard that, but
I didn't know it had a bad odor either.
I've
didn't
never
either.
heard that in my life.
I never kill them. I'm just
Yeah,
like,
yeah, daddy long legs are like, yeah. Okay, so do you want the last one now? The last bug?
Sure.
Daddy longlegs are the most deadly spider in the country, but their teeth are positioned or whatever. What they bite you with, they can't get break through your skin. That's why.
Robin
That's why we don't die.
now I'm gonna have a nightmare tonight about that.
That was Ted Daybell.
The venomous?
Yes, go ahead. Last
Okay.
part. What do you say, Heather?
Bug.
Yeah, that's fine. Go ahead.
Okay. The venomous spider, Loxocellus reclusa, has a violin-shaped mark near its head?
What is the brown recluse?
Brown
Correct.
recluse.
Brown recluse.
Correct. Okay, so now you've
Yeah.
got one question for 2,000 in outer space, or you've got to go to the great moments in sports.
Outer
Well, if you're
space.
going to do sports, I have to go feed the cats.
Okay, well, they might be easy. Come on. Do you want to do?
Yeah.
They want to finish this outer space, or you want to go to the sports? What do you want to do?
What do you want to do?
Do the outer space.
Okay.
Okay. Jupiter's feature called this is really a windstorm raging at around 250 miles per hour and large enough to cover 2 Earths.
Yeah.
Wait a minute. They got me.
Jupiter's feature called
What is
this
the
is
red
really
spot?
a windstorm raging at around 250 miles per hour and large enough to cover 2 Earths.
Okay.
What is the red spot, right?
Well, yeah, what is a great red spot?
Yes.
There you go.
Okay.
Oh my God, I still know stuff and I can't even keep my eyes
Great
on
moments
it.
in sports for 400. His
Oh, yeah.
1997 victory made him the youngest, ladies, the youngest first African American and lowest shooting golfer to win the Masters. Easy peasy.
Yeah.
Oh,
It was Tiger Woods.
Tiger Woods. Yeah.
Correct. For 800, great moments in sports. A U.S. ladies champion, this ice skater was involved in a bizarre 1994 plot.
No.
Well, listen to the question.
No, I'm just laughing. It's not my turn.
To injure her rival.
Who is Tanya
Harding.
Harding?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, great moments in
That's
sport.
funny.
How is that great?
In
That's
1961 to 62, this ex-Globetrotter averaged 50.4 points per NBA game.
Who's Wilt? No, I mean, I don't know.
I was going to say Wilt Chamberlain, but I
It's
don't know at
a
all.
black guy.
What was the question?
I was going to say Wilt
1961
Chamberlain,
to
but I
62, this
Somebody else said Wilt, and I thought
Globetrotter averaged 50.4 points per NBA game.
it was Wilt Chamberlain.
Correct.
Yeah. Or it's the tall black guy, whichever
Way
that was.
to go, Mimi.
That's a good guess, Kevin.
I'm just saying. I mean,
All right.
You got that
In
one.
2001, Barry Bonds joined his godfather, this Say Hey Kid, and fellow SF giant in the 500 home run club.
oh gosh. Okay, wait a minute. Start back over at the very beginning because we're not going to get this.
In 2001,
Okay.
Barry Bonds
Mhm.
joined his godfather, this Say Hey Kid, and fellow SF giant in the 500 HR club.
Oh my
I'm
God.
trying to figure out what's the question. I mean, which
Is it a player or a team?
In
Is it one of those?
2001, Barry Bonds joined his godfather.
Okay.
This you got to find his godfather.
Who
This
is
Say
Willie
Hey Kid and fellow SF giant in the 500 club. Barry Bonds' godfather.
Who is Willie? No.
Who is Bobby Bonds? No, that's Bobby Bonds there. Oh.
no.
In 2001, Barry Bonds joined his godfather, this Say Hey Kid, and fellow SF giant in the 500 HR club.
Who is Willie Mays?
Correct.
What?
Good job, Heather.
Wow. Where did you go, Heather?
Okay, last one, ladies. Okay.
Sorry.
This
chat.
boxer, nicknamed the Old Mongoose, set a record by winning the most bouts by knockout.
Cheese and crackers.
Okay, wait a minute. The very beginning of the question again. I got the last part.
This boxer,
Okay.
nicknamed the Old Mongoose, set a record by winning the most bouts by knockout.
Who is Archie Moore?
Correct. Who's that? Who said that? Is that Leah?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes.
You go, sister.
All right. So, I'd say just by looking at the amount of cards that you guys fairly won. I think there is a. I don't know if there is a final. I saw a Final Jeopardy in here.
Now we know they won.
No,
They
but I
won.
know there was a Final Jeopardy question, but you could bet it all. I don't know how that works, but
Bet it all.
let me see. I don't know if there was a. I thought there was a Final Jeopardy. I thought I saw that. Well, maybe it's over here. Let me see. Double Jeopardy.
If it's only one question, the whole team can answer it, right?
Yeah. But I'm
For
trying
Final Jeopardy.
I thought there was one.
So we may as well go for it.
So we have to raise our hand.
Oh, Jeopardy. All players will need. Okay, so there's double Jeopardy. There's regular. Okay, so there is a final. Oh, I put them over here. Here we go. Okay, so here is the category is superheroes. What are you guys gonna do? Are you gonna bet? You guys got to bet the whole team over there, right? You got to bet everything
Yeah.
because you guys are. You need help.
We're
And
behind.
Or
So we,
nothing.
your other team. What are you gonna?
Yeah.
You're gonna bet everything.
Yeah.
All right, you're both gonna bet everything.
Are we all allowed to answer this one?
Well, yes, but listen, you're going to have to write it down because you can't scream it out. There's only one question, and you're both going to be doing it at the same time, so you have to write
Right.
it down.
Right.
Okay, you cannot confer. You're going to have to pick one player out of your team, just like you would in Family Feud. You know, let's go. Who's going to play for the big money? You're going to have
Take me
to
out.
pick one player to play the Final Jeopardy.
So we won't be able to talk about it.
Right? No, you each have to
Choose
pick one
for
player.
our team, I think.
I'll go out.
Who knows a lot about them?
What's
On our
the
team.
category?
Category is
Superheroes.
superheroes.
I
About
do.
what?
I
Okay,
think
we'll go with
Tristan,
Sharon.
Sharon?
Sharon.
Mhm. Yeah.
Okay, Sharon.
Okay, Sharon, and who's going to play on your team, Heather?
Yeah, but not Sharon because I can't see her picture.
Mary, we're gonna put you in. Oh Lord, you and Sharon both about to fall asleep.
Who's gonna play on your team? Mary or Heather or Leah or who else do we have there?
No.
Boo or we're missing somebody else, right? Family Florida girl.
We don't confer on this one though, right?
No,
No.
you're gonna write it down.
Eva.
I have
Eva
a
can do it.
paper.
Okay,
Do we
you
know
go.
what
So
the question's
Mary,
about?
Mary's gonna go on your team, okay?
Yeah.
All right, ready now?
All right.
All right.
So we all have to be quiet.
Okay, and nobody can talk. Dreamy, no talking. No talking, no giving answers. That's it. Sharon and Mary, that's it. They're going to write it down. Okay. On the cover of this 1941 first issue of this comic book, the title hero punches Hitler in the jaw.
Punches who?
On the cover
Hitler.
of this 1941 first issue of this comic book, the title hero punches Hitler, Adolf Hitler, in the jaw.
Oh, God, I
I'm
think I know.
pretty sure I know this one too. And I
Wait.
can't say it.
Okay, now
think.
Sharon's
I could
going,
be
but how are
wrong,
we
though.
going to see Sharon's paper?
That's what I was just
Hang on.
thinking.
See it here.
I think I know it as well, Scooter.
Okay, I texted it to you, Carolyn.
Oh, you texted it to me? Okay.
Oh, well done, Sharon. Good idea.
Oh, yeah, that was smart.
Yay.
All right.
Is it right?
I don't know. I'm going to check now. Hold on.
And I'm trying to see what Mary has. I can't read it.
Okay, now
Superman.
I have bad news for everybody. You both got it wrong.
Oh my
Really?
God.
Yes.
I
think
had
I
it as
know it.
well.
Sharon said, "Who is Superman?" and Mary said, "Who is Superman?" and that's not the answer. So you bet
I think
everything.
I know
so you
it.
both go home losers. But everybody had a good time.
It wasn't
Everybody-
Donald Duck, was it?
You.
What it does
Was
it?
it who was-
Scooter
Not
What
Donald
is it?
Good
Duck.
Batman.
Ladies.
Was it Captain America?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
And
I would
Lee
have
is
gotten
like, you
it.
should have
I
picked
only
me.
know the Chris guy who's Captain America.
I would have won.
Lord have mercy.
Oh boy.
I'm sorry.
Oh, fun.
Okay.
Y'all did phenomenal.
You're all losers. Everybody's losers. It's all good.
No, it's
Good.
Nobody's a winner
Closing
tonight.
game.
No one went home a winner tonight. You all
At
lost.
least
We're
my
all
kids are not
stupid.
hearing me
We're
say
all
that.
We're
lost.
losers.
You
We're
all
all
lost
stupid.
everything. Sorry,
At least it
guys.
wasn't national TV.
You lost it all.
Hasta luego.
Yeah.
You
Good
lost
night.
it all.
Why bother?
Mary's ready to go to bed.
I gotta go to sleep. I gotta go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good night.
Good
Next
night,
time,
y'all.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for letting me do this.
Good night,
I know I've been
Yeah,
busy.
yeah, that
Good
was
night,
fun.
ladies.
Thank
I'll be
you.
right behind you.
Time to say
That was
good night.
lots of fun.
Isn't there a
Really
song
good
like
time.
that? Good night, ladies.
Good night, ladies.
Time
Good
to
job.
Good
night,
It's
gentlemen.
time to go to bed.
Yes.
Yeah.
Daddy used to sing that to us, and then he'd pick us up and throw us in our bed.
Oh, good night, ladies. Okay.
So 1, 2,
All right.
he'd swing you.
I'm
1,
hanging
2,
up.
3, and throw you in the bed.
Bye, ladies.
Good night.
All right.
Thank you for letting me take part. That was a lot of fun.
That was so much
Okay.
fun. I love y'all.
All right. Love you
That
guys
was
too.
fun.
Good luck. Good night.
Signing out.
First for all that need and love
Good
you
night
guys.
to
God bless. Thank
everybody.
you to the moderators. Thank you everyone for being here. Thank you
Have
for
a good
watching
night's
the
rest.
Jeopardy round and the what other game we played, the Family Feud. Okay. So-
Thank you.
Carolyn,
yes.
you.
Yes.
can you please help me to get out?
Yes.
I
I'm gonna
managed
get
earlier.
everybody out. I'm gonna get everybody out right now.
Oh,
right.
thank
All
And
right.
you.
Daddy, every time when you waved, I waved back to you, but you can't see me.
Okay. All right. Bye. Bye.
Night.
Bye.